Oganyara chọrọ kogbenye biri, oganyara chọrọ kogbenye rie nri, ogbenye chekwubezi Chukwu. N'uche Chukwu abụzi ka ya eme, n'uche Chukwu abụzi ka ya eme n'ụwa, ihe o soro n'iru ya si arịbazi ya. Ogbenye bebe, oganyara nwụrịba, ogbenye nwụrị, oganyara ejebe ihe soro ya, mana oganyara nwụọ, ogbenye abịa bebezi akwa. Oganyara chọrọ ka ogbenye biri, oganyara chọrọ ka ogbenye rie nri, ogbenye chekwubezi Chukwu. Ọ dịrị m mma, ya dịrị ibe m, ọ dịrị nwoke mma, ya dịrị nwanyị mma, na-anọkwa m n'ebe bere ugo beruo. Ọ dịrị m mma, ya dịrị ibe m, ọ dịrị nwoke mma, ọ dịrị nwanyị mma, ọkwa na-asa anya nna m n'ịga-adị. Oganyara chọrọ ka ogbenye biri, oganyara chọrọ ka ogbenye rie nri, ogbenye chekwubezi Chukwu.
Welcome back. So we are back again on a new video reaction. Lazuba is celebrating that PM has been jailed. So I know many of you have seen this video, but this is her first video. You know, when the news broke out, I was waiting to see if she will, react on that. She waited and waited and waited until CS started her program, because I just checked. I said, okay, today I'm gonna key in to know what this woman will say, what she will do. Why? Because we all know her contribution to all this mess. All right, even though she's pretending that she don't know what she have done or what she's doing, but you'll be talking to children, not me. So because I know that everything that she's doing is something else. Now, she's here dancing, okay? Dancing, that is her first reaction, okay? So this is her first reaction. She keep on dancing. And we all know what that means. Then, until some people started asking her, why are you dancing? That everybody is angry. You know, today is a sad day and all that. And she said this.
Say, nobody rejoicing, only you. You see, all because no nana him understand. Nanya can wage in this world. You want to chineke de lo de gie, o nwere mbosi ngbara yo na eba. Okwu o na chukwu na okwu gie, o nwere mbosi ngbara yo na eba. Mmadu ade elu muru na. O ya na akpuru na. Ilie m uru nke a bịara kwukwa m uru nke ọzọ dị. Ọnwụrụ nwa ụmụ aja na-ege ntị si nso ụwa. Unu kwesịrị ịma na ife amelelu ya eme. Ọnwụrụ nwa na-ege ntị. Unu ya ama na ife amelelu ya eme. Unu kwesịrị ịma. Kama na amalo nke unu si aghọta na na-akọwa. Ọnwụ dat na unu feel that na ọbata obi ya apụta. Man that no now he faithful is that guy. On our idea. If Obatopie, if a chelo Obatopie new. When now go no, Nanda in the wood is said. Now, that no one is that now. What a group of people they meet.
Let me make sure somebody can unmute themselves. Sorry. Go ahead. You can unmute yourself. Go ahead. Go ahead. Adandimbo.
Eze bi n'eluigwe ọgọrọ a na-akpụ n'ala. Chukwu okike ya kpọgo. Eze bi n'eluigwe ụmụ gị agbakọnata. Nna m anyị na-eme ibe isi anyị na-eme ya ka anyị nọ na-eme. Onweghị ibe ọzọ anyị bụ n'obi ahụ njem nwere onwe. Ya ka anyị na-eji ijie. Wee na-asị gị ezi Chineke biko bịa ka ị nọnyere anyị. Chụọla anyị ka a lawa ajọ mmụọ ajọ mmadụ ahụ kachasị ndị sabo. Ndị si na Biafra ya abịa. Ndị na-anụ ọgụ niile ebe a na-anụ ka ha wee fụdatị na Biafra ya abịa si Chukwu biko ọgụ ọgụ nwa ya nụrụ anyị ya. Gọzie anyị Chineke gọzie ụmụ ife gọzie ụmụ Biafra niile ebe ọnwụ na anyị niile anọ na. Ezi Chineke ma ana m akpọkwa gị n'isi awa dịda Maazị Nnamdi Kanu Ọhamadike. Nọnyere m ihe. Gbaala m ya ume. Were dọkịta na-agwọ ya ọya Chineke biko. Ọkwago ka ịmụ nwa onye ọzọ. Otu aka na-akpọkwa n'isi ọbata obie udu akọ mmiri na mbiko ihe niile ugoko ọdịnaka. Anyị eme nke eji nwụrụ mmadụ ma agụ nwa ya eme nke iji wu Chukwu. Na m ana m asị aka ọwụna ụdọ ọwụna ezumezu ọwụna osi n'enu osi na ọwụ ikwu ọwụ ibe ọwụ onye ọsọkwa anya wụrụ ndị ji ọbata obi eji awa dịda Maazị Nnamdi Kanu asị m aka ha gbajie. Asị tinyere ha ọgbaghara ebe ọbụla ba nọ na tinyere ha ọgbaghara. Were ọgbaghara tinye n'etiti ya Chineke pịaba m ụtarị mee ka ọkụ gbuo ha na-arụ mee ka ezumezu ha niile ha saa kpọpụtara ya awa dịda Maazị Nnamdi Kanu n'ọbata obi ya. Na m otu a ka si welekwa awa COS wee tinye gị n'aka nna m ọkwago nwa wike yoo. Onye emekwe nke o ji wụrụ mmadụ n'ọkwago Chukwu na-eme. Mụọ onye na-enye ike ajọ mmụọ ajọ mmadụ uke mmụọ uke mmadụ ebe ọsọkwa anya si onye ọsọkwa anya wụrụ ọsọkwa wụrụ m nwa na-eche echiche ọjọọ megidie asụ Chineke megide onye ọbụla na-emegide COS ayo ise ọwụrụ m nwa na-emegide ya emegide m ise onye ọsọkwa ya wụrụ ebe ọsọkwa ma na-agwụ ije ọ na-agba n'elu ọ na-agba ya n'ala ọ na-agba n'okpu n'ala ọ na-agba n'elu bed asụ Chukwu asụ megide ekwene ka ba binye ekwene ka nna m ọbịa onye ọsọ ekwene anya n'iwe emekọ na-ebele alili aka weluo mgbe niile ebighị ebi.
Ise.
Against IQB, against Indigo, you are a saboteur. How can I sabotage against Indigo? You are a saboteur. How can I sabotage my own? Sometimes when I push you for the last against IQB, against Indigo, you are a saboteur. How can I sabotage my own people? Anigo, Boba Moya Kebe, Mbosobuna no, Nature Mbosobuna, Yobuna, John Ibo, or any black race. I recognize Paramazia father.
He say,
the highest money that will you want to go? ya bụ anyị si mmadụ ga-anụrụ onwe ya onye na-eji ụmụ m ahụ adị m asị ụmụ m nwụọ ka onye ọbụla na-aṅụ ihe ahụ ihe ahụ ka ọ na-aṅụ eji m onwe m ahụ and the worst thing that could happen to a father n'ụwa bụ ụmụ gị ịnọ reject you as their father. Mbọsị ọbụla m megide iwe anything against ndị reject one as their father.
Ise.
So m na-achọ clear the misconception people na-enwe. Ọ bụ na criticize a policy and they criticize this na this tactic attention on that work. Not generally that they criticize the actualization of Biafra. Nigeria brought on the mama. I wouldn't be here. Na Nigeria, but since 19 now that work. But I have to say it, man. Don't criticize that some things. No, that's not me.
Not every dog that is.
Of Biafra. He said, our enemies are in an almighty mess. Our leader, Mazen Nnamdi Kanu, wherever he is, it shall be well with him. And any tongue that rises against him shall be destroyed. Any hand that rises against him shall be destroyed. More importantly, anybody that speaks against Biafra under.
Okay, I welcome all of you. I've been controlling myself not to laugh. Okay, please, if you are joining us, hit like button. If you are new here, please subscribe. I don't know if you noticed the similarity, between this last three videos that I played. It is very funny. You can't beat it. You can. Okay. Oh my goodness. Very, very eager to swear, to pray, but everything they have said turn against them.
To bring leadership
have
of
all
mass.
committed this thing there. This is, to me, it's just like taking an oath in the name of praying or in the name of prayer, which God works in a mysterious way. God sees ahead of us. Like before you were born, you already know what you do. Before even your father impregnates your mother, God in heaven, the creator of heaven and earth, already know who you are, your name, even your genotype, everything is already programmed. You
must die.
You are just living based on the calendar that's meant for you. Or let's see if you are, and some of us are, if not all, are actually built or mold based on the activities of your parents. Some of the things that you are doing today is somehow hereditary. Anyway, please don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel. I'm going to, go on comment section to send my sharp greetings to all of us here.
You say, we shall.
Let me take this down, please. It is quite funny, very, very funny. Olive also, I greet you. Who is this? Who is calling me? Just a moment, please. Just a moment.
na-ege ntị si nso ụwa unu kwesịrị ịma na ife amelelu ya eme. Ọnwụ na unu nwa na-ege ntị unu ya ama na ife amelelu ya eme. Unu kwesịrị ịma kama na amalọ nke unu si aghọta na a na-akọwa ọnwụ datị na unu filu ọdatị na ọbata obi ya apụta Man that no now he faithful is that guy. On our idea. If Obatopie, if a chelo Obatopie new. When now go no, Nanda in the wood is said. Now, but that no one is would that now. When a group of people they meet he went so good. The whole group are about will fight out for you. I'm not going to understand. If you don't talk and be on land, and I may we would have to be 60 years. But then no one that in Anthony, all of them want to jail him. All of them from A to Z.
Okay, that is her own explanation. She's trying to tell you that she's doing that. She's right. You understand? Like she knows what she's doing. But there's something she said here. If you have not, I don't know if you noticed that people should have known better that Obatebe will not come out. So meaning that she's keep on saying what she's saying and causing all this nuisance, knowing for a fact that Obatebe will not, PM will not, be released. The PM will not be. They will not. They have to jail him. Now, he said that people that followed Obatebe refused to join hands together to fight for him and all that. But last time I checked, you yourself are not doing anything. You remember after the declaration of Biafra, you supported USB. The woman, Lazuba, supported the USB. From there, she decamped to fall back. From fall back, she did not last there. She created another push to fall deep. Then she fall deep. In that fall deep, now she have already decamped again. Now, instead of decamping, why don't you form your own group and you have the platform, you have followers? Because in this video, I'm going to make sure that we listen to a few of her callers. Those Okay, I am sorry. I'm very, very sorry. I got a call from someone that I cannot ignore. All right, so I was trying to send my greetings, Ogwejo, for all of us. I greet you already, Ogwejo, for Margaret, our sister. Kevin is here with us, and Zion Pekid is there. Odoguwan, Oike, Oyisi Okanga. I see you. That is Obi-Wan in there. Machi, no, is that Machi? Okay. Amechi Jonas, not Machi, but Amechi Jonas. I see you. Michael, greetings to you. Kevin again. Obi-Wan, day one. Margaret, our sister, also blessed. Margaret again, greeting. Rita is here. Chika, see you. I'm trying to rush it because we're actually late. Everything we do here, I think we have time for that. Ife see you. Ochedike, I see you. Ochedike, I see you. Ike also is the building. Rita, you said breaking. Biafran United said he's going to expose Ngozi as she is claiming that she is the one who hired Tommy, the lawyer, who is defending Simon. He said Ngozi got nothing to do with the appeal. Okay, now like I always tell you. You see, the reason why we do what we do is because of people like Lazuba, Bryson Okoma, Chioma Okoma. You see all these old layers you are seeing there. These guys, these old layers you are seeing there, they are the reason why we talk the way we talk. This is the reason why we speak the way we speak. When I say we, I mean people who understand the assignment, people who know the genesis of everything. There's a reason why I started by playing the video of Lazuba, what she did when PM was sentenced. And that sentence, some people claim to be in charge. This is not the first time PM is in the court. Let's not forget that. During 2025, PM was in court. Remember, he was arrested in 2024. I think in November, maybe November, thereabouts. I can forget the months. People claim to be in charge with the PM's ex-wife. They are the one in charge of the legal team. There's something I want you to understand. Allow your brain to be independent before you will be able to analyze or dictate what is playing out. A man no, but upon now that in my favor, man, what if him? Oga come man in a proga kaki, chich kamado, chain dogin and fee will I just will I again decide if it just allow your eyes or what if on enough. There's a reason why I beg people to join me in this live broadcast, and that is the reason why that is just what you have there in the title. Hidden agent spotted. Okay. People need to understand something. I think I need to edit that title. Is it okay? I need to edit it. Something let me remove. I think it's double here. Why is it double? I think haven't I made the correction before? Anyway, just a moment. Let me see from YouTube itself, because from my streaming platform it's showing me different thing to compare what I have there in YouTube. Here in YouTube, what is the title saying? What is it saying? I want to get everything right, because when you see that this title is very, very simple, but it means a lot. Hidden agent dictator spotted. LaZuba and these people that you are seeing today, let me refresh your memory that in 2025, when PM was facing the first trial, it was reported that Bryce Nokoma, what is the name of this man? The chairman of CRC chairman, what is it called? Imam Madabo, they are the one. Ngozi got nothing. Ngozi has nothing to do with the legal team. Ngozi is agent, Ngozi is this, Ngozi is that. Ngozi actually working with Nigeria. Remember those times they were saying the same thing. Then what has changed? If you are to hack into what they claim that Ngozi was doing, because when they say Ngozi, they're talking about DPM. People who told that she's not even close to PM. In fact, she's one of the worst thing that PM would like to set his eyes on. That there's no way PM will ever talk to her. That even if you are talking to Ngozi, you cannot get close to PM. Yesterday, people from Ngozi, okay, that are with Ngozi, PM is hugging them 2 times and tapping their back and everybody, making it publicly clear. Like he made it abundantly clear that everybody we are one. Until you don't look in the boss one, then he butcher like butcher. After seeing all those things, you are still coming back to allow yourself to be like a student of Biafra Unite. I mean, how long are you going to stay with him before you graduate? Anyway, Reta that is talking is from Ogengere though, so I expect more like this kind of comments. Truth must be told, I see you. Truth must be told, you are very active on the comment. I see you and I appreciate you for that. Ahmed, not Ahmed. What is the name of this? Ahmad. I think, I don't know. Please, maybe you can tell us that your name. Then again, Truth must be say, I hear action have a lot of. I hear action. I don't understand what you mean. Truth must be so. I think something must be missing there. Do you mean her action have a lot of Nigerian hands written on her actions? 100%. 100%. Margaret is saying, Musa, I see you. So Obi-Wan, gift. Please, if maybe I'm not gonna, because the comment is getting much, so I may not be able to finish the comment. Joy, I see you. Joy, Ezokona, son of Fisher, are you the one? I greet you because the name, it sounds like your name. What I'm saying is Joy. I greet you. Ezokona, also blessed. Eze Ogenkere person. As I see you, I believe you are from Ogenkere. Correct me if I'm wrong. What did you say here? I think this our brother is not from Ogenkere, is it? Prime Minister. I think because there's one Eze that I normally tag Ogenkere, but he's not. Simon Ekpa reportedly said when you say Simon Ekpa means you Ogenkere, because they don't anybody that says Simon Ekpa direct like that, you must be from Ogige because they have wiped out anything PM to him, to attach to his name. Says someone reportedly said in court he got nothing to do with USB. He said he is the Prime Minister of Brigi. He said people should stop associating with the USB. You are speaking from your ABK science, like maybe say eba sigi sapata, ebi saya, eba ka brain get back, eba ka brain get back, and you are using CK, you push on the brain got that way in a toilet pit. You see maybe get even expired condensed milk, the more useful than your brain. You are not only an idiot, you are the father of the idiots. He commented again, I swear that I will block you. You are a useless human being. Look at this is the level of lies. Biafra unites upon all that he graduated from university. He attended to university in Unizik. He is this, is that. He all the years he spent in university, he did not manage to work on the level of his lies. Do you understand? Then Lazuba on is understandable. The woman, when he's in puberty age, like 13, 14, he used to train herself in brain till koso. The age 40 way, connect their brain. They would just in this 21st century that you have gadgets that you can watch things for yourself and start something. You can see things on your own. You can watch a video clip. Isn't that would make more sense? Isn't this brain hand on label? We give it a fast appetite. It's a back walk. They go just imagine. In can't watch live event. Can this annoy her never said that na PM told you in a court. This court that only the people are not there. You are Madam Bola because uno jolly you free or she the free gift of nature. Each bunch or getting a point of phone, you give it. Or not care and all that. You are one of the partaker of her gift. So I understand when you are so head-bent in defending her and promoting stupidity. There's no sense in you. Unfortunately, you are parading yourself as a human being, but you are just a shadow. Nothing is in you. Empty, totally empty. Look, you are not even shy the way you dish out lies. PBM told that he got nothing to do with USB. And some of you, I understand, they have not even been to you don't have any case, let alone getting close to court and know what you can say in the courtroom and all that. Like Lazuba, not challenging Matanga to the European court. Lazuba, why you Lazuba not challenging Matanga to European court? Eh? Ebo na-agba akwụna gee ntị iburu what are why Igbo na-agba akwụna. I'm not saying you should stop ịgba akwụna. Maybe you are meant to help some men, you understand? I understand. Keep on doing what you do, is up to you. But what I'm saying is that know your limit. Ị na-agụ na agba kwere ka akwụna gbaa gị. Ị ga-adịbụ ike ịgba akwụna, but ekwukwere ka akwụna gbaa gị ina nakanai. Like dibia batalion alpha. As a Christian that I am, I don't believe that the charismatic bring on the sick. Ba akona. Okwa kicho leba. Ga ba one no about the game ma. Gina chi give me when no, but I don't support to get back on now. What I'm saying is that it's up to you. You have your life to live. I cannot dictate for you. Mana in akwari, do not allow street bag. Oh, like Oga Kagman and more again, Chancha. Why I can be a victim of this street baraba? Oh, yeah, here. She's example of somebody balakona. Akona Tom is a bayawa. Akona Tom bag. You are gone. Gone for bad, not for good. Because we're going to go like and careful. In a advice, and a PM said you should stop associating with USB. If you not go more, go from all those old layers and now with the Bulgarian in the South African again. Listen, if you not go for one Obama shop, this guys actually want people to start saying, oh, they know people to disassociate from USB. Oh, they know now go now. In our phone. Oh my, that or pure amalgam to na tone. Upon all the pancake and I create your fan here, you can't even represent your womanhood. It may porn or Nessica copy. It was there while Nessica. Hey, what is the baggage? If you call on the wig yourself, you can't even put the number one. Chinese say that I would inquire and I want to make reminiscence. Brand 0, dressing 0, hour 0, everything is 0. How can you represent anything meaningful? Obere cost na kaja so we was ki no le no ama bebe nke be kwa no nke gi eze ni ama ma chara ki le na village ito na keta obere teku technophone yere gi you will not comment na PM said you should disassociate yourself. You have disassociated yourself from USB all this while. So what happened then? Who are you advising? I thought you are far back. How can you be at back and want to dictate what is happening in front? It's not possible now. You are back for a reason because that's the level of your brain. So remain there until your brain is matured enough to know how to forge ahead. You want people to fail the exam because you failed the exam. You want to be what you are not meant to be. It is understandable. There's a reason why in school people write exam to separate the chaff from the wheat. So if you are chaff, remain as chaff. As simple as that. It doesn't take a rocket science to dictate who you are. You are actually giving us, making things very, very easy. Oh my God. Lazuba is the reason why we are here. Lazuba is the reason why we are here. Many of you know that Lazuba is still in good contact with Ebe Kodike. Ebe Kodike is the man who introduced, you remember the video of people buying 3 guys, right? Where they were shooting 3 guys on a live video. And in the voice background of that video, there is Gentle voice. Gentle that many people know. Like, I don't believe it's gentle. Let me tell you, it's not, to me, it's not gentle because AI is AI. If you are not fall victim of AI, they can use AI to make you robbing bank with your real voice. That's what is called premium package. Some AI, once you paid money, they will give you premium quality. Quality that the video that will generate using your own image, your own picture, will be as real as your self. Your voice, everything will be there. Gentle is the guy that I can tell you, based on what I've seen on social media, that doesn't know how to lie much. Remember, there was a time a voice note was also, was trending on social media, that where he was, is happened to be Gentle voice. In that voice, he was saying that I have voice note. We have come to take our land. You remember that voice? We have come to take our land. How? And I will give you military uniform and something like that. Lazuba grabbed that voice note and played it on social media and said that it's not Gentle, that it's not possible. Gentle came out and said that is me. That he did it for social reason. He gave a reason. He did not lie about it. If he can accept such thing, then what is the reason why you will doubt him when he said that he's not the one that is in the video of shooting people? Do you know what I'm talking about? This I want to remind you that most of those videos, people have alleged that Ebe Kodike is behind it. Ebe Kodike publicly claimed that he's the one that invited Finnish government to Biafra land for whatever investigation. The guy know how to attach his name to anything that Nigerian government is doing. He claimed to be involved in most of those things as a security intelligence expert. He loved to call himself and all that. But guess what? Only Lazuba that is constant in communication with Ebe Kodike. I made a post. Now I told you here. I made a post on my Twitter account. In that Ebe Kodike rush in that video, I began to comment. I responded to him without knowing that he's Ebe Kodike. When I begin to read the comment the next day, I noticed that this guy is able to educate. Then I now drop another message, which he started supplying me his normal routine way of communication by giving you videos, very big banner of people that buy it and all that. I told him that this is I'm not involved in all those things. I don't want to get involved. Whoever that buy people in the name of Biafra, you are wrong. Whoever that buy people for people to start seeing Biafran people as a bad person, you are wrong. Whatever that will lead to buying of innocent people is wrong. I have been saying it here. I don't support any killing or any criminality. I don't want to get involved in any bloodshed. So no matter who you are, you cannot go. I cannot buy innocent people and attack village and this and that because of Biafra. No. But people who don't want people to talk about Biafra, we go behind that bad people and say that it's their Biafra. Let's also understand this. Use what happened during the Biafran-Nigerian Civil War to understand this technique. It didn't start today. During 1967, it was meant to us. It was meant to to us that I think it's not 1967. I think that was I think during the ending part of the war, like 1970 thereabout. I've forgotten the year, but it was reported that Nigerian government disguised themselves and marched to some communities in the riverine area and pretend to be Biafran soldiers without presenting Nigerian flag. They went to some communities and buy people, sleep with their wife, they committed all manner of crime just because they want to plant seed of hatred in the minds of those, non-Igbo speaking tribe in Biafra territory. You understand what I mean? Like maybe like Isoko, those places, and even like Calabar side and all that. So that is how they started nursing anger and hate about Indigo. They carried out this kind of crime. This one is different from Asaba massacre. So they can hide and use those things to blackmail people that are actually doing the fighting genuinely, because they have waited for you to show your anger and for you to lose the track, so that they can now have something to label or profile you that you are causing problem. You know what I mean? So this kind of tactics is not new. It has been there. It's not something that just starts all over overnight. No. If you can remember what they did then, by the time what is going on now is just a preamble. They are trying to replicate those things, because remember, people in Nigeria government are experienced in when it comes to this kind of committing crime. These guys know what they're doing. So they are the one teaching and recruiting people, telling them how to go about it. Then some of our people who don't even have time to know what happened to their father, and they are very, very easy to bought over. That's why I didn't even say that now. Now what are they to do? They to joy if what are joy if so you have to be man enough before we started accusing no one that your father died mysteriously. You don't just because you can talk. Maybe you are a child of 16, 17, 18, 19 years, 20 years. A guy maybe your kinsman poison your father. You don't go there and begin to question them, because that person that poisoned your father is capable of poisoning you. Even though you know that your father died mysteriously, you don't question until you are non-grown, you are non-full-grown man that have contact, you know what to do. Then before you cannot ask for that. That is what they're doing today. So Lazuba is a seed planted. They're using, it's one of the old stories, one of the old tactics. That is what Lazuba is replicating now. And anybody at this point in time that is supporting Lazuba, they are all agents. Nobody is supporting Lazuba now unknowingly. They all know what they're doing. They are aware of it. Even PM, imagine that PM himself on a live video publicly told you that we are all one. I will hug everybody. Do you understand? then who are you to tell PM what to do and how to go about it? There's a reason why I started by playing her reaction after PM was sentenced. There's a reason for that. And that reason is simple. She don't care about PM. We all know this. Even when PM was here, this woman was already PM left and right. So how can you now all of a sudden begin to claim that this woman loved PM? Like, how did you manage to, arrive at that point that PM actually care? That's when I hear OBS and one other guy that don't talk, that they don't mention their name, in her platform. Many of them that are hiding like never before, they know. Mention one person that follow Adada Rama today, that his face is known. One person. Starting from Biafran Disunite, Adada Rama, to all their fans. You don't see their picture, you don't know them. Why? If you can answer that, then your brain is working. If you can answer that, because these guys, one of their main targets is to deceive people with lies. They will begin to dish out lies. United that he's going to expose Ngozi. Do you know, we are tired of hearing that? What? Expose who? Who are you going to expose? Now, watch the video and tell me, this is Lazuba back then. See her. For you to understand what I'm talking about. I'm trying to wait for the video to come.
Ọ na-awụ Buhari mee nke adọ mma ya sị Buhari like o mere adọ mma. Duko na nna ha agwa Simon Igbo mere adọ mma. Ọ na-awụ Buhari mee nke adọ mma ya sị Buhari like o mere adọ mma. Na obodo onye anyị niile bi, onwe ibe ndị na-achị obodo mere adọ mma, anyị eme manifestation kpụọ ya, kpụcha isi unu na-afụ ma mgbe a na-akpụ isi Donald Trump, kpụcha ya ebe ọgba ọtọ. Simon mma akpụgụ ebe ịgba ọtọ, bụrụ ibe maka pụta kpagharịa. All my right. Yes. Because in on the Koni CI, I chay off my each high off my voggy. Eba, I don't know, surprise. Meeting now.
Okay, what will happen, because people don't understand it. That altar phone will go where a boy can in all that mission. And she think that she's smart. Hold on. Up on her bragging, they had the smart, they had the intelligent. This is where the end game, like the main goal, is this. A woman that reasoned like this. Now, before you start by Guma and all that, is laughing. Anybody saying that is an agent. There's no difference between you and Joy Bokwe. No different. Like Joy Bokwe is more honorable than you. Joy Bokwe don't compromise. He decided he don't compromise by pretending to love you when he already hate you. Joy Bokwe maintain everything year after year. Like he hate it, but he don't like you. You don't like you. Don't like you. As simple as that. Respect the man. So if you can be contented with Lazuba and you are showing hatred to Joy Bokwe, you are a lunatic. It doesn't make any sense to me, because it is the enemy that you don't know is worst. Man, I quit from Kema. Only can pretend that we are together. Let's move on. But they are more deadly. They can hurt you at any time. They know how you position your head on your pillow while sleeping. They know the key that leads to your door, to your house. They know everything about you. You can't do that. So Lazuba is a well-known agent, and many of you don't understand. I'm trying to locate this video, but I want to play from the beginning with that, because now that is here in the studio. So at any part of it, he refused to play. I don't know why our streaming platform is doing that oftentimes. Sometimes it will play to the end, sometimes it will play and hang somehow until we share it as a sharing screen. So I don't know. I have a lot of files here. In fact, I need to do clean up here, to be honest with you. So many, information that is not. Some of them are actually not useful anymore. But we'll see. I need to check my system. Okay, I think I have it here. Just a moment. Okay, let me see if I can bring it up in a different way. All right, because let me see if it will play, because I have it too. I have not played the other one. Many of you have watched it before. I have played it some times ago, but there's a reason why I'm bringing it, because Ibo-chan, she can even dine and one with the devil as long as you're going to jeopardize PM freedom, pretending that I'm fighting on Ngozi Labese. I'm not going to call her fight. I will tell you why she's not fighting on Ngozi. The target is because now also from what Brother Badowa in a movie said that na live said na live I was saying I can one in our okay na target in a catch leaves no na anaka osisi magona atotala leaves leaves say what if me the main thing each of them was I know I got this one. If you come from the Ngozi Labese na USB criminal and they if the main person go PM. And my happiness is that PM knows. PM knows this. Now, watch it, let's see if it will play from beginning to the end here.
Simon, oh my right. Yes. Because he know the going CI, he a of my froggy. Eba, I don't surprise. Meeting now, I didn't know the to pass out no Biafra data.
If you want to learn,
of Mama froggy. Eba, I don't surprise. Meeting now, I didn't know the to pass out no Biafra data.
Otena phone now. If you use the phone, he use the phone record or video, classified information, taping people while communicating with Otena. But she lied to Biafrans. No, Ngozi Mugusa case record communication. One of her videos, she claimed that no, Ngozi Mugusa case just a record video. Now, the person that look as of this time, there's no, the DPM is not here. She was not in the picture. Okay. Now she may be there, but she's not as popular as she is now. As she like 2022, 2023. She's number one and all that. We know what I mean. DPM may be there, but not as popular as she later become. This woman, as of that time, was taping voice and bragging about it. Oh, yeah, but
Dragon. I see not that you regret. And I can never regret tomorrow. You know, my own night and always setting well all over. Oh, which are Zeke. How was the chinek even in it? How was the chinek who Biafra Naka? Ya would say, I bet you so. Oh, now, Massy Chinek and I have bagged out for more Biafra. So bad wrong. Simon. Because of people is on in the lower. You have to leave up on your program. Say, Madam, if you need the soil of mobile for them, because here is a drag on me as CC. Make the soil of mobile for a program. But what is this woman? Remember, Simon. Your name, Simon, you know the truth now. You need to come back with ịma o mere gị n'anya ụmụnụ mgbe o sikwago n'ọnụ wee pụta anụrụ m isi ikwu and all those supplies after all these things the pụta kpa for this woman still I convince gidegu amakwuru ma nkeba konukọrọ ekonukọ everything i were pụta wee kpafu afa datu kpafu afa ikpada n'isi ka ịkpara afa mada n'isi ya kịta Simon Ekpa this need 100% happy na your program last program ị mere Simon asị ị na-arahụ ụra ịma na ị mere mistake Simon adajọọla mmasị na ọnwụ na ịpụtasị m na program anyị mere mbọsị a na ị ga happy Simon asị ị dị happy inside you ị na-regret because you know the truth inside you ị na-regret because you know the truth why Simon you have to go back to your God though. Go back to that God before Simon. Go back to your God. Talk to them before your God will turn back against you. Ona Chineke Chiku Chiga turn all back. Simon, imagine when no one sees now that tournament, they are about to leave you. Your God, they are about to leave you. And they only take time, they will leave you. And they are leaving.
Okay, I am sorry the video did not even give me the vibe that I wanted, but I believe you managed to pick the message right now. At this time of this, when she made this video, PM was still trying to prove that that he's serious, that he's genuine. That is the early part of autopilot. She was busy tackling PM, because in her mind that he want to take over. Who are you? How dare you? That kind of thing. The same tackling that she's giving DPM. Kakukwe also. Anakanosisi ona akacha. Bomboro ga kochoro iburu. Obolo the lips. Obolo anakaso the kochoro we be ombolo. That the ngasa labeze no the buma no na buma no na poison no na if you follow yourself no okwa na no na Boko Haram the best than ngos. Obolo normal eziokwu oma. Obolo normal na ya na atas oma. But she was contracted. She's just an agent, but very, very poor agent, to be honest. And she's the people that contract her. I don't know why. Mom mobile watching it or you'll forge. We're gonna like you forge. If I say, okay, we need to give you job, or we can hold it for now. If we already have we need 2 months, 2 months, na pay dada na playing ground. Or you can have na primary school na school one. You make sure no matter the children need lunch. If you will talk, if you phone, does this pass for or some people are not a teacher. I used to think like that though. Teaching teaching can forget teach you nothing, absolutely nothing. So let's go back to her program yesterday. That is the reason why we actually here. Listen, last boy.
Yes, everything naga. Nekona fugasa. Gosia ife ebailini ungole shop mba go if
Now this early part is this part is actually interesting because that's the reason why one of the reasons why so I'm going to pause this so she's dancing. You know why she started? People don't know that it's because of my video that made her to start dancing on live program. She don't dance before. She plays song, not dancing. But after her famous dance, after when PM was sentenced, that was when she started dancing, just to do as if she normally dance. She's doing that like as a coach because she thinks that she's smart. She's a very bad, agent, very bad agent, not smart one. She's not smart. Reason why she's dancing in her live program these days or sometime is to make that famous dance of her, the first day that PM was sentenced, that she set to stream live, to look like a normal, regular dance that she normally dances in her program. No, I am no fool. I know what I'm a Messiah right now. So, Lazuba, you cannot use that to cover the reality. Now, listen, so you can now understand.
Mama.
Let's start.
Wow. Umibomulunze moze ekene ono weekend yaba ekene.
Tonti na nochi lwa na ona de kwokwu n'ime ko ya wuru na ji. Okay, graduate to shouting, like normal madness, and to start from Ntamu, Momoren, before you know it, Ugwe Madakano, Blue, Bijapari, Street. So, Negent.
Onye ona kwado because na Blogland today may send the link. Onye ona kwoko sidi anobi.
God, as I see you,
Ana make a good Chineke because everything naga utu I see kwado utu I see ayochukwu iko naga. Yes, everything naga utu I see we chukwu okike abịama ka ọ na-aga ọ ife ọ na-aga.
Okay.
Ana m ekene Chineke ọ na-afụgasị na video ndị wepụtara enwe m ike ịga live. Also nwere condition ya aga m live.
This which
if you may just will your camera video nya just ordinary video.
Okay, I will consider that. I think I need to do that.
May pretend role number one. I lose my card bank today.
Listen. Very, very well. Please listen.
I lose my card bank.
I lose card back there.
Which na mbera na in a situation jebe the man around I just say go see if a buy lily shop go if that place. Go see if any apotan. I gali ni manania I de la romo kolo gonia. Onye kolo gonia on de manafai our sisters from America. And I want the kolo gonin. So I had this and Jena my hotel eben lodge blue. Jebla pamakan we ke ijina this hotel and noketa. So we were that na I believe in na hotel only some one jolly home and aka we ko ya ogo afọ my credit card oshisho we be good maro. Imagine such a thing. Ajo boom onwelo ife emem fat. I'll come on Gigi Nana because I don't know. You see? When you fetching a melon, some people are my love. And I'm accustomed to somebody tell them if you attack anybody in your program, you know that you're working with Igbo politicians and Nigerian terrorist government. Hi. Oh my God. Okay. Adama. Trying to watch it. Okay, my mood no na church. And the Chineke sinakage. Ide ife paramoch. And I need me. I need me. So I'm gonna make a meme. We put to call. Nanya na card na only card inji. And a card I have on my card. Then I put a call. Some weekend jaba. And in my situation now, I'm stranded. I lost my card.
Armstrong, thank you so much for the super chat. God bless you and reward you mightily. I really appreciate my brother. And you and the oath of blessed. God bless both of you for the super chat. Maazeka, just for your weekend, thanks for supporting the truth. Armstrong. If you get a now back to this woman. First thing first, I don't believe that her card, she lost her card, number one, and I will tell you my reason. If she truly lost her card, she would have put the allegation on one of the people there in Egenti. If she lost her card truly, okay, what going on? Somebody or for USB Maya card, as long as she's unable to accuse anybody, there's nothing like she lost her card. She didn't lose any card. She just make call to make money because she's also scamming. You know, a Ross woman always scam. Ndị ochie dịka akwụna na ha na-ezu ori ga-ajụ anybody. Akwụna people fa na-ezu ori. So she must have scammed somebody, and that person scammed happened to be her agent. The agent that we are talking about, like agent, somebody connected to a bond of she's being contracted. When they contract her, I don't know, but I can assure you that she's being contracted by one or two. And the people that are working with her, they may not like her to see their face because they know that she cannot be controlled. She can leak anything and say anything at any given time. So they will be protecting their own identity. That is why she said that she don't know them, she don't meet them. We are going to hear that. Then again, she's here. She lost the card. Remember, she bought food and somebody who wanted to buy in America. Who is that person in America that will pay for this woman? Open men. I can assure you that. They feed on camera, they can pay for her. That one is established. Obvious campaign Nando they can do obvious no can Europe. That's all they will do this. They can even rent house for her. Manona, she will repay them in kind. But if one now what I and they buy one wives from America is a lie. Sure lie. I would have believed this story if she claimed that somebody Nandi now remember the accused. She have to. Somebody remember the accused is no, that is not true. Listen again, please.
The first thing I go do that I block go do the account immediately. Then I put a call. Way for that I catch you code and just one of my brother and boss and in my situation now.
Now go notice one of her brother born. Or what I say that Nande in the highway. Now, in fact, let me not say that. Let's have complete the statement.
No, they even amen. Or come go them down, some come or down. That everything will be all right. That's my worry now. You call it go see where them. Osimo nwere akaụntụ ya nwere ike iji wee sendịrị m ego. We said that na kaadị nji awụrụ m nwa nwe ya. Mana o nwere ike isendị nwa ego na ya because eji ndị akaadị. Amadị m na ihe mere nji wee jide akaadị. Ọwụrụ my card. Ọjọọ na m nwere ike isendị m the details of that card. You see, yes.
And then again, that the card does not belong to her. The one Geji. Also, you when as the was the guys, oh, yeah, na rogaluchi. Imagine right? Okay. Now that card, someone who is in his right sense that will give his or her card to this woman. The only time this one will have somebody's card is other than no any other two aside. Then the person now who was over or my can easy belt now go pay me my money. You know that can pay me my money or pay from there on seize a wallet. It is a card. That's the only way you can have access to anybody's card. There's no other way. There's nobody in this planet Earth that will give you, even as foolish as Obese and Co appear to be, they're not going to give you their credit card or drop possible. Okay? It's not possible. Or the ATM card, they cannot do that.
We make a call to the owner of that card. We send the details. We send the my brother waiting 1,000 euro.
My brother waiting 1,000 euro. 1,000 euro at here again. Okay, 1,000 euro. My brother waiting 1,000 euro. Now, the card is you receive the money. It's not your card, according to you. And the card, you call the away card because they get details. Oh, boy, game with this woman, this kind of thing. You see, you are not talking to fools. Within
1 second.
Within 1 second, I will read the 1,000
euro. 1,000 euro.
Again.
And this my brother, 1,000 euro. I have Omega a lot. I call Bibi and Cholibia, Finland.
Okay.
Omega a lot.
That brother here, 1,000 euro, sponsored her trip to Finland, though. Then imagine that somebody sponsored you to Finland and you lost your card, and the person just asked you, okay, send me details so I can send you more money. Or more 1 second, so why I get 1,000 euro? Okay.
A lot, too much. Amamonyo. In fairness, Amarom Yodochi Doja Amarom Mamonyo.
Odogo Guyana, Omar the person. The person that funded her trip to Finland, Omaria, Ogon na Finland, Omoka the person no, Kadi Fuse, or just no yoga na phone, or somebody on Amaro. Are you correcting it now? Or just know yoga on a phone, like you are stranded now. The person you call is someone that you don't know that actually miraculously helped you for you to go to Finland according to you. And you're already there in Finland and you lost your money. It just has to be helping you about the person. Keep on a phone, then we'll go away, we'll get the money. Can they guys have that? What again? That person must be on a mission, and this man understand that mission. She don't accept whenever you expose her like this. She don't accept it. Just hold on. Let me see if this video.
Kai television. Let me tell you something.
Okay, just hold on. Just hold on. If you want to address something, this is how she normally lie. I have to bring back this video, okay? Because when we talk about her, the way she lie, people don't understand. First of all, pay attention to this particular video, this one now, before we now move on.
This girl call Lisa. Onye mwana tag alamia. Because now, if you about the kwoku, it's on attack Nigerian government.
Okay.
This is the idiot to call Lisa they attack anybody. Government. Oh, one Nigeria. Before one Nigeria would drink and half our leader Mazen Nadikan a double agent.
Again.
A double agent, this idiot, on the flare back, all Lisa. Normal identity of this.
Now, I know has anybody me and all go get normal identity. This is one. Can you feel as if has anybody made that time? Has Lasbon le aka or Bured in the Hanes and give you more than Akia. Can you feel and know has a name? Women I know has this good people me if they back can of this girl. Guinea Ife differs. What is that again? I know has a good people name. In what are you connecting? Are you following it now? A problem. This is a video, not me. I'm gonna take it back. Makandin Tike. I don't want anybody to come here and begin to say, Carrie, don't say that again.
Again. This girl call Lisa. Onye mwana tagi alamia. Because now, if you ever kwoku, each on attack Nigerian government. This is the idiot to call Lisa they attack anybody. So now kumaka government. All one Nigeria. Before one Nigeria would drink and half our leader Mazen Nadikan. A double agent. Call a double agent, this idiot on the flare back, all Lisa. Women and has anybody me back and normal identity of this lady. Even in Dohan as a burial, even in this idiot the women, or Hanes and will pay her for that. Or Hanes and will beg me. Nafaya Kumu can join Nanya. Mewa bato be attack. You see again? Can you join this nonsense thing I for here? Come join me and Kapakwa Mogo. Muma for going on a region. So I will all go there. You won't that party on my Pelehati Yelemu or not there. Who this idiot town of here? No one now quoted it. Against Simon. Attack. Anybody don't follow. Emel attack by this lady or Hanez and Dibo send her because they pay her for that. They pay her for that. Why me wasting my time? Instead, we meet here. Come on, I'm about join that together. They're buying with the mouth to stop speak out. Can I fight?
So I hope you captured this very well, right? Okay. Now, when last time I talked about this, that day she was very angry with me, and she said this, trying to defend herself. Or more than this particular video has been done. So because listen, what when I said this, I just quoted that, just quote her based on what she said in that previous video. Then she was not happy when I said it, and she jumped out, began to defend her stupidity. Before is well saved, but I just listen, hear her.
Oh, what if I need dress ever? Kai television, let me tell you something.
God forbid. Anybody that measure me with you is that person is committing a sin. It's also a big company age. Or something wider. These two things. When it comes to flirting, I'm not good. So it also then obviously I give the age. Man, age is useless. All the useless. I rather respect, any street dog than you. Legend.
How come when you put in? And I'm when you could put a I want to make up the young one. It was a dimage Jesus.
I'm not gonna free will. Ibu like with authentic that you rejected money. Probably not the weekend you're gonna kind of rejected money. Because you always measure yourself with people that matter. Maybe in group, maybe in Nigeria government, promise massive can to this oil well and all that. It was because if I can, you want to the can also. And if Hannah said promise you rejected, I know how you think. I know how you think. So you are purging from your mouth. And you want to make sense also. You want to become relevant, and if Master can reject, you also can reject. In that process, you expose yourself, and that is why you are here talking.
Ije niile na-adị open. Kai television. Ọhaneze ndị Igbo etighị na their group ka nọrọ na the group.
We are going back to the video.
Bring me down.
Hold on.
And I the group. They want to bring me down.
No. Please pay attention, because I will play the video again. You know why I'm playing this? For you to see how deep this man can go when she want to lie. She can lie with this woman, can even lie to you no to cables. That is how she roll. Also, no, that in a group. Man, that previous video I play. Also, in the group, you are fully list can above. Now, here. Pay attention.
Open. Kai television. Ọhaneze ndị Igbo etighị na their group ka nọrọ na the group. They want to bring me down. And aniye na agwa gị. Ọhaneze ndị Igbo setiri m trap. Ịma mgbe m kpọrọ uwe anyanwụ na my platform. Ịnọ ya mgbe m kpọrọ uwe anyanwụ. They want to set me up by itinye na that group. And the group on our way tinye mmadụ evalid enya before ịbanye. Her request go kambata. No mwa ka ọ duziele evalid were banye. And the hands na mwa wa adande mba na ndị egede avalid hiye. Bịa wee nwe ike ime ife chọrọ ime. And aniye na agwa gị mgbe nji chọọ ịkọwa ihe anamakọ maka gị, anamakọ maka zombies na-eso gị. I didn't validate. I just exit ozugbo. Maka na ọwụ na mbara plan of ahụ na ọwụ na mbata na that group. Ha ye screenshot you ozugbo. He screenshot onya. Woputazie nya. Na mụnwa na akọ Jọfa na-ekwu Jọfa. Kware na mụnwa mere nke a mee nke a. And when you ekwu about me, me di na ebe na uchide na group. In an Kai television. Ọwụrụgo ihe amara na ya wonya, because ebe ifuru ndị ukwu. Ndị niile nọ n'ọhaneze ndị all politicians. Ihe anaghị ka i belong ọnụ. Mara mụnwa dị jụrụ ajụ, I don't want to belong with them.
Ebe maazị Mekano reject, you get reject. I know how you think. I know how you can reason. So I believe that when you made that video, it could be when people are praising Maazị Mekano for rejecting offer from government and all that. It's that important can talk you go and never wise league. Or I kid on a he blew no go again to prove this because Oboyama can't. Oh my bad, need too gentle, to be honest with you. I was actually go for cat enough na Finland. To be honest, I wish that somebody just does say, oh, if you free slap. And call now, go do on about it can make before you put it on me, aka war in a complaint and that kind of slap he deserve authentic, just free gift. Zuzu gente. Yeah. Oh, ya kini the mana over here again. So these lies in the here. Kai record na ndị some zombie. Ụlọ zombie na-eso kabofu. No zombie. They will come, I will block them. The issue no now. If you zombie ponde na ndị another feel of no na momentum for again na your platform. Ndo de ko de. You know gonna bubble also go every again na bubble. Some of them also managed to.
I don't mean I don't need their money. I don't have money, man. And all of them very important. Kai television in an if other money, about me, I made me accept at all.
First and first, a bull Adamo. And our now go to Bugablo in Adamo. Or if it been again, don't you are not Adamo. Cha if you give yosa as aqua on so if you go You can claim anything.
I just quit the group immediately.
And I know.
Because I won't accept banye high screenshot or one friend high the by high smoke or queen on a group so you know with them. There's a day kukwa kezi hi neku. And the way back could be back that 100 billion by year because I'm on their group. Here to go to group, Jenake Banye, make go to Katinyaki. Make go to Yao, make it not Katinyaki, Mia Rusie.
Okay. If you got water la suba, if you got room na group, and on the channel, man, I need for if you are quaran on the chat, Genega and you for la quaran yegi. So they cannot eat him like the group because they know that I'm not a saboteur like you. So you got man, let's have the busy day to on. It's taking a group. Now, Chetan not last night in a group. Let's go back to the video, please. It's not too long.
On attacking Nigerian government. This is the idiot to call this how they attack anybody. So now Kumaka government. All one Nigeria. Before one Nigeria would drink down of our leader Mazen Nadikan. Hey, double agent. Call. A double agent, this idiot, on flare back, call Lisa. Mbamana and Ezendi body me black and normal identity of this lady. Even in Don Ezebel, even in this idiot the women, or Hanezendi will pay her for that. Or Hanezendi will beg me. Nafaya Kumu will can join Nyanya. Mewa bato be attack. Nsiba gini. Can you join this nonsense thing I for here? Come join Nyanya Kapakwa Mogo. Muma forgotten on the Elijah. So I will all go there. You were present at that platform. I am a Pelahati Yelemu or not there.
So you know, you present at the platform Fatty the Yawa. No, not there. Oh, we're going to go back on the platform. When they say the link, you decline. Now, I took a screenshot. Oh, yeah. Man, now, oh, what here. Never on the platform. You were present on the platform. Now, listen to that. So you cannot see the listen to that without you going inside. Also, never on the platform. We're full of this and that. Man, I born I reply, I report. Now I bought in charge because I took a screenshot. You see why I told you that this the issue of card phone, he had never just 8 o'clock news. Don't take it serious. It's a lie from Peter. That's what she do for a living. The truth of the matter is that the person that's sending her money, whether they send her money to her or not, whether they send money, whether it is true or not, I believe it is true. Because people, she will call the hotline as an agent, they will send money to her. You get the point now? Maybe she's saying this so that it will look like nobody will, maybe somebody, maybe one or two persons must, maybe she's suspecting that people may know, must have seen how she received call and all that, and she's trying to justify that incident. She always think like she's smart, but she's not. If you can follow her closely, there's no way she will escape. Or not possible. Triple M, I see you. Triple M, you're welcome.
This idiot out here. No one now quoted it. Against Simon.
She's not attacking PM verbally, right? But all turn against Simon. Nobody equity. Nobody equity. I can turn against Simon. Nah, I'm not going to turn against Simon. That's why she's fighting everybody and disobeying Simon, the African Prime Minister. Or give you Gijima Ndakorogo. The question is she doing that or not? Is she living like that or not? That's a very simple, straightforward question. Then you will understand her agenda, her motive, and her intention. Unless if you don't want to see it, then you can pretend though. But the truth of the matter, it is there for you to see. It is there actually.
They call him attack. Anybody don't follow. Email attack by this lady or Hanez and Dibo send her because they pay her for that. They pay her for that. Why me just wasting my time? Instead of we meet here. Come on about join that together. Everybody when the mouth to stop and speak out. Can I fight?
So why I'm saying this? Why I play this for you to understand what she's saying? Kemato Enekuo, so that you help you to understand what she's playing out.
When I quite be Finland and the book will be Finland. When I see no one goes a dream. This my brother called me. So then I watch my program. No, even I in Maka. We send my details. Send my details. Offer you 1,900 euro. 1,009.
In Anya, the same brother, that's the imaginary brother on that fireman, no name contact ya. Or which of the guy Finland, he needs the help. Send their details. We'll send their details. That brother will send them 1,900 euro. 1,000, I did 199 euro. 1,900 euro. Go area. Or we that one. Then when she's done in Finland, how many days now? Let's say it's up to 4 days or 5 days. Kadefo. Or yoga, or this is broad just matter online, according to the one. Or yoga, but when in that kind of emergency situation, or both that broad on about just saying I can just matter one for 1,900. Is it possible? Is it actually possible? That brother did not hesitate and send money again to her. She's just receiving her salary, my people. She's just receiving her salary. That's all. Let's continue.
I'm shocked.
No, you're not. Don't lie.
I can't make this problem. I'm all on your map. So can try ya. So say I want young boss. So I want young boss. So I want young boss. Or some on your map. For be some bonya. Some any details. Send the 1,000. Well, I said to go to eventually settle.
1,000 code settle before Charlie settle. Now, that is in space of in less than 1 month, in 1 week. All right, she received from that her brother 2,900 euro.
Legit kwa ego meji welie nne obi wesikwa m ike mgbe ekene Chineke wee sị unu biko nyere m aka kene this our brother mamala onye ọwụ amụsị ebe ọ na osi eweta chimdochiele m mmaji kwuru mmaji ebe ọ sị na maya nọ n'ife mgbe ya nọ nata n'ife mgbu chaa ebe nọ na this kind of mkpa ọpụta wee gbuo n'omi nene anya n'azụ asị m na ọya nọ nata na mkpa na ndụ ya ọya nọ nata na mkpa na ndụ ya ezinụlọ ya nọ nata na mkpa ụmụ ya nọ nata na mkpa ikwu ya nọ nata na mkpa ibi ya nọ nata na mkpa ana m ayọ Chukwu sọnsọ ụzọ amara na-agba n'isi ya ogologo ndụ na-arụ isi ike n'isi ezinụlọ ya niile n'isi ụmụ ya n'isi nwunye ya n'isi ya nwa na onwe ya sọnsọ ya bikọs onwere ife mmeji wee kwụ ya ụgwọ onwere ife mmeji wee kene ya bikọs na meji lọ onwere ife mmeji wee kene karịrị ife o mere ama m ife mme gịnị ka m enye nje enyegodi ebe ka mma chọọ ya jebe mara m onye ọwa mara m obe obi chansi nchi m gọziele m ya ise ezigbo nne m ọwụ na ị na-awa ọchị my program asị nchi m gọziele gị na mkpa igboọlụ m chi m gọziele gị anya m echezọnata gị ọ wụ eziokwu na m ama gị mana ife imeelụ m mma echezọnata ya ndo ezi nwanne m ndo
Anybody sending a dime to this woman, that person is working for the state. You know what I mean by the state? They are working for government. There's nobody in his right mind that will work. Even some of them that are Igbos that are helping her, supporting her, like talking about her, they are working for the government. You do not expect Buhari to call the Lazarus. No. Branco no cannot call her. No. We have seen content creators in Yoruba land moving from place to place, promoting that Tinubu is doing fine, right? That Tinubu, that cost of food item has fallen, life is getting better, price of items is no longer high. They are moving from market to market, picking they will pay some market women to claim that the things are getting better and all that. They will record it and use it. So it's still the same tactics that they are using here, using Lazarus. Everyone make Chineke like even now for where she is a pure agent, undiluted one.
Tata. For him in a court. For Kobato BC we put out from the gate. Ozo ya potazi. Or pota. Ona anazi anana bie. Yes. Manon will even me go see gas soon today. Melenu. Own isi wa obato bie. Emana di me to nke mu ude. Ma gwagi akusi wede. Isi wa obato bie. Afota obato bie. Onwi femele obato bie. Mara no ngozi ala beze. Bulo obato bie. Obato bie ya waru. Mara ngozi ala beze wonye melienu.
First thing first, for you to think one is your battle, in our water, he shall not die. Oye naturally echicho we hagawo. Egari jo we gawo. Is up ogaba haginis. Obato bechizele go wo ba da ramma. E man is a gebe. No no cheweligia, man no bono ka ona cheweligia inechelia. If we may marry. Oh, one other again on 24/7, he will be able to go. In my call sad. Or what we fed you. My neighbor is not on our baggy. Among every other thing you can think of, well, if you may not told me, or you will not told me. No, then the king a good one is here. Guinea be fair for Mereno. Butelo never battle bien. The same you. Why I'm saying this because for you to know why I said that she's an agent. Listen. The same this woman on her platform was insulting Chianakia. Now Chianakia had a promote to protest. Nando to Ngaza Labez had a protester. Nando Tungozo Labeze actually got Finland. Nando Tungozo Labeze. Oh, he got Finland. Where's on outside? After the by Ju Potanigwe. Now they get ma. Man, he meets up at Obej Bagabaka. Or Dragema. If you go to Boyoshi. And this is the reason why I keep on saying. Anybody supporting this woman, there's no difference between you and Shegumi. Shegumi is more honorable than you. I'm not talking about Lazarus here. You would be as a group, all of you equal to you. You see, Shegumi can be more honorable than you. You are not just evil. You are just more than evil, because Lazuba is on a mission and you pretend not to be in a mission as well, because some of you are trying to act as if you don't know. You know. If truly you believe that Ngozi and her group then why were you promoting for Hawa Igasi Finland? This to tell you that you are an agent. And why am I connecting that to agents? What agent do? First, plant the seed of confusion, hatred, that people will not regain themselves. They will keep on fighting each other and believing that you are saying the truth when you are not saying anything truth. Lying after lying after lying. Then I think I have a stranger here. Let me see what you said. Princess Mercy. Hi, my brother. Nice to join you. Look at my PM. Okay, you are not the one. No. Why are you using this picture? I have somebody that is my enemy using this Mazamukano's the same picture, the same everything, but not you. God forbid. Not you. You are a sensible person. I was thinking that this person, I've seen your name now. This is Mercy. Princess Mercy. Hi, my brother. Nice to join you. Look, my brother. PM never said that when we see PM never said that when we see PM was live video asking us to stop saga. She is a sub. God bless you. God bless you. Yes, you are Benin sister. Yes, I know. I know. I know. That's why I said I know you. I know you, my dear. Nice to have you. Nice to have you. You know, it's been a while. Nice to see you once again. How is your family and how is your husband? I hope all is well with you. My regard to your family, my dear. You're welcome. Now, this woman is not just ordinary agent. She's agent that is willing to even pay with everything in her. Because she loves it when people call her strong woman. Man, what I can know was not going to all this your total gaga. But if you be your match, and if you be your match, boss you got your match. How about if you not to in Europe? But say one day you go jam your match, you put it on them. That will feel them go benefit for now. It back customer go DJ. From the number the tough. You are not tough, you are not. You are far from it. In our go, one pen way in our go. When I want it can when I want God is God. You will turn you one day, you and that your ogle. Him another and for that again, you will be like that. You are very, very evil woman. That is why you guys are raising a lamb of Ifojo, and a woman and a maker. All of you. You see all these old layers, all these gangs. You guys are the one in this snatcher, and that's why you are talking about Ifeanyi, because you have tried. All of you have tried to do one or two against Obatobia, and in your cockroach mind, you think that that somehow that your old guy will be activated. So you are not wishing to label it on anybody, but you are the one carrying that assignment. People are not fool. You are raising false alarm while carrying out your assignment, so that people will not think, hope that if anything happens, then because you think that will exonerate you. But guess what? Newsflash: nothing will happen to PM. It doesn't matter who is doing the charm. It doesn't matter where you belong. It is not for PM. Ometere buru. Nke ikwu n'ọnụ gị, nke gbara na aja, nke boro gị na mma, nke isu na so-called ọfọ. Ife niile mere no be for ọjọọ against PM, against ndị aka fada ọcha, against anybody that is not after you on your life. ọ ga-anachiri gị azụ. Imeri ya n'Eke, imeri ya n'Oye, imeri ya n'Afọ, imeri ya na Nkwọ, ọ ga-eso gị. Njọ ga-eso njọ wee na, because na ụlọ eji nke nwanne ya. Ejikwana gị mmadụ nke gị. Akwụchina m ụzọ ma nkwụchi gị ụzọ. Ọ bụrụ na PM mere gị ife ọjọọ, bịa kwuo ife ọjọọ mee gị, ka ụmụ nwanne ya kwụchie gị ụgwọ afọ azụ, ihe oge biko ya na ya so, mana wepụ aka gị bụ ewe n'ofe tupu ọwa aka mmadụ. Mmadụ ama mkpuchi osimiri, ọ bụrụ mmiri dị na nja ka a ga-ayawa. You need to know your limit. Ọ bụrụ sọsọ gị bụ onye ara mụ n'ala Igbo. Ndị Igbo ọtụtụ ndị ara dị n'ụdị na dị, nke gị na-ayị ga-eyi ya gị na ama nna gị, na ara nke dị na ama nna nke mezugo. You don't need ara dị ka nke gị. Ma be nna gị a nọ na be mbarazi nna gị waya bara lapụ PM na wori fo mee gị. Ife ị na-amachakarị na-ekugharị wit ọgwụ 10 naira na-agwụ, buru ya bụ na obi nọ. Ọ bụrụ ọgwụ mma ka ị gwọ, ya dịrị gị na mma. Ọ bụrụ nke ọjọọ ka ị gwọrọ, gị na-ederede buru ya nawa. A na-egbu mmadụ, ife a na-eme ndị a na-efe isi na PM, isi wa PM. You are predicting ife ga-eme PM, thinking that no ga activated. That is just it. Mana wolo ebuchi ndị Igbo na-aba n'afa mmadụ abụchi na-ege ntị. Obieze ọkwa ikwe na n'ife nnegwu. Obieze ama m na ị na n'ife nnegwu. Ife ị na stand ka mmụọ abalị uru sepụta isi gị na ketụ kwụ ka mmadụ nwoke iberibe. Na nwaanyị na support, look at onye na support. Amụkwa m n'ori nụkwa ndị otu o wike ọ bụrụ nwunye gị na brodo. I don't think na gị na nwaanyị gị ya. O nwere nwoke ihe na nwaanyị ga-arụ ga olesi nwunye gị bụ nnọọ yere ya. Is it possible? No, I don't think so. Legend.
Ọ na-afụgo ka kọtụ agbata obi esi were ga tata. Fụ ihe mere na kọtụ. Fụ ka agbata obi esi wee pụta from the gate. Ọzọ ya apụtazi wọpụta, ọ na-anazi ana na bie. Yes. Mana o nwere ife m egosi gasị unu today merenụ. Ọwụ na isi wa ọbata obie, ịma na adị m eto okwu m nke m ude, ma agwa gị ka o si wee de. Isi wa ọbata obie, afọta ọbata obie, onwe ife mele ọbata obie, mara nọ Ngozi Ọlabeze gburu ọbata obie. Ọbata obie ya arụ, ma nọ Ngozi Ọlabeze onye merienu. And ndị o yuzuru were mee nya mma egosi unu this evening live and direct. Life ọbata obie dị in danger, and I have called our people on Finland. You people should do everything to protect Simon Ekpa Njoku. Unu for na Simon Ekpa Njoku ya emeri Nigerian government o ya pụta. Another thing I target to assassinate him. And the only person that you use where won ọbata obie Ngozi Ọlabeze with agent of darkness. And may go to prove this night. Because so many people are Chineke ale. Manage Moela when I say vam, shame unto you. Shame on you. Vam, and then they banande say Chineke pogoko ototo ne ye na abani. Let me tell you something. All know your plan. Ka assassinate ọbata obie. Okay, it can never work. And I'm going to live and direct on social media, and they may prove here Biafrans today. Eman okudo over the court about Obie wele pata, which we pre-dead. Aya cholo ko pata. Onwere ife me wrong. Ko about Obie ha fe pata. Onwere ife me for her. Aisra mafabiko. We don't want to see him. But you will end the chole and that you mafasi life for Batobia like yesterday. Yesterday was also one group near yesterday. Is okay. Mana today, agent of criminal along Gozola basis is there. And the target of these people either nafa Balo Batobia Ogo or nafa Koroya Ogo. Which I may go see on today. Laws. Ghana talk one man call or pole. May go soon. What happened in court today? I captured everything. If I own a flaw, may go soon. Because I have sit down and watched the program one after the other. Instead, the Van will come ya dowe. Sam Van for a photo with Simon Epanjoko yesterday. Van from no Kudova, Neti. Don't touch him. Don't touch him. Oh, beneath Sister Neti, what is Sister Neti? Don't touch him. Don't touch him. Pastor, Obidna Neti, nobody should touch him. I name everything. Cafe for him to abato biaka. If do Van pa we se photo with Simon Epa. If do Van pa, I'm do balance now. The most trusted. If the anchor we say photo, a ball for that no could over. If the Van we say photo with the PM. I don't know this photo yesterday. I will show you people something today. Go sit at the on, Unewililo no go on.
I say no could over. No could over. Oko ya moya. Oko de over. Ibu tu onage de over. Oh, ibu tu onage de over. Ni imi toilet ga. Oh, ya be de over. Ima, I don't blame her, to be honest with you. Ima, in life, if you to go somebody na born on a but I never meeting, you're going to be shown. You better go na meeting in on ya. Normally, this woman is not supposed to be in any WhatsApp group. And a go kumwero. Mana all mistake in the right name in the name of carrying everybody along. Or have a mistake in our time. You have the mistake and a name in the name of carrying everybody along. Oh, when dinner, see, oh my goodness. Oh, if you reach no job, oh, when dinner I get chonta. When dinner no nayar, and then I ganta, bata. You get why. A good listening in a book. If as na bada. When done your question. Open no back a banner corn, maybe Anna Tongo, Anna Zoife, maybe an ekana, a ball as well, black about Zibuyanas. Then make botany more of your banner one. That kind of thing. My open kind of book, something that requires, logical sense. Kena Lazubania. A call. Well-known saboteur, certified saboteur. If I require some people in the corner back his son way change. No. Also, no good over. Go good over the cable quite for some. You know quite the over. Can you go inside? Okay, you can go inside. Open the door. Thank you. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Thank you. See you. Sorry about that. You need to understand something. This woman has nothing to do with freedom. Oh my God. But if you get a bank area, eba kone with receive, eba Biafra nada. Ya buna, you know kita na Biafra, go ya Biafra dan mo ya bodifa. E bank area 1,009 for no just reason. Na card they leave. How many of you in Biafra movement have that such contact? Like such contact? How many of you have such kind that you can call now a wig $1,000, 1,009 in space of 1 week, $2,900 or euro? Do you have such contact? But somebody now constitute nuisance can accord over. Oh, government. Do you know what her job? Disstability. It brings disstability in the movement. Chaos. Keeping your genuine mindset busy, thinking negatively, constantly. And why we must continue talking about her? But this Obona a press release banning this man from anything Biafra or the possible. Highly possible. Honors are kako got a gaffer. Man, as long as this can happen on our dance, on a go to talk. Some of us cannot stand injustice. Do you know that the reason why a lot of people are talking, joined PM is because of they hate injustice. They hate it when people team up and begin to attack the innocent. That is exactly what is going on now when DPM name is mentioned. You see? Not that those that are mentioning those things are saying that because they want to say it. Let me tell you something. Today, I'm not going to mention the name. Somebody who used to attack or who attacked DPM, who believe that DPM is spying people, he's doing this, he's doing that, she's getting it wrong, told me today, sent the voice note to me. And in that voice note, there's something the person said that one of the reasons why people say this kind of thing about DPM is just to get back at her. I said, what? Getting back at her? That's the reason why we can frame up story like that. Say yes. I said, okay. You are getting back at her to achieve what? So you don't know when to limit your words on her and when you are going out of track. You come out and lie that she's committing crime that is not in existence. And you know that this person you are talking about is with PM. And you claim to be following PM. What exactly do you think what you are saying will be? The impact of what you are saying on PM. Have you thought of that? Do you understand what I'm saying now? People are like that. They can come out and say something that doesn't make any sense. And they will say it with boldness and confidence. Like when you hear them, you'll be tempted to believe that they have more classified information. But going deeper with them, you find out that they're saying it just to get back at her. Just like when if you're a man, you toast a beautiful girl and that girl walking on. It was a pig on not joker. Not joker. No name maker. But the initial of them make until the reject again, for doesn't know why. You got to go the thing now. So people are like that. You don't pick fight that will end up burning your own house. You don't do that. You don't pick fight that will end up destroying your own house. How can you say that you're TPM Obatobi, then at the same time you are calling PM names by attacking DPM? That you don't agree that she's not you don't want to agree that she's DPM does not mean that she's not DPM. Understand this and just know this and know peace. Many of you believe that Tinubu did not win the election of Nigeria, right? But current consolation, he's the president of Nigeria, whether you like it or not. It's not about your opinion. Public issue, like something that has to do with the public, cannot tie it on to your opinion, your own opinion. You are just a single person. At the end of the day, majority can carry the vote. If at all, they will not gonna, politicize it by, bringing corruption and all that. You know what I mean? But in Biafra movement, something that you can say, is something that you have witnessed it, and you allow people to be teaching you what you're supposed to know. That is why you need to keep yourself informed constantly to avoid people like Biafra Unite not to push you away. Because if you so I come and
I'm in Finland. Uno mana kunu yesi weje meet over to tomorrow. On ne amaro make we don't want to see him again. We don't want to greet him again. We don't need him again. It's okay. Aya chozi. Oba to be zutu planya jisu.
Now, very simple thing to do. We also don't want to see you on social media again. We don't want to hear from you again. We don't need your presence again. Can we do? Can you start the deal? A man or not to be in the 1 year. But as an agent, of course, that is your primary purpose. You just want him to die in silence, to be lonely, so that he can succumb to who knows what you guys are wishing to him. Like you have been wishing Thomas Damadukan. People that go on a public on social media. Need them message Biafra again. Need them message Biafra again. Have you stopped talking about Biafra? No. And I want to Finland. I don't blame you because you have people like Ifai and some of them that are, to them now, the prime minister is the Biafra Unite to them. Or the one they may expose. You may say how exposed if now, oh, you are saying what you done in Mazi, you are talking what you don't know, Mazi. You can't say that gig is a fancy. If you know you're not working again, mad if you the person have not even started doing anything.
Only for I target get how to assistant him. Only for so. Let us go for the first video. I don't know, maybe Mutanga na koili. This Mutanga, o te go match up you we. O te go match up he send the message, but I will send a message, a serious message for him this night. Because I found that Mutanga a criminal call. Mutanga eat with blood of Biafrans. This Mutanga Kaso Musanga, don't know, I don't care what he call himself. But you are going to send a serious message to him. Mutanga, you are a very foolish man. Your country, you're not away. Your country, you know they go to your country. You are left a Jew in another man's country. Go and settle your problem first. Before you're settling Biafran's problem. We don't need you.
Iranian, every hand that is out there to help PM is a problem. You know, I'm saying Ganabosis and Arakanos and I catch a number of catch a label. All the leaves. Now, it's also, you see, when I told you that attacking Ngozo Ladeze, now, about the attack. The main person, the main target is PM. Then the foolish one who don't understand this in Africa or cancer, who will not understand this. Equals Ngasi ego one ma for because Ngozi because you said fake can forward them with the money. DPM. It wasn't the gaffer, Cabraj Jack Van Accommodable money. Ezoku di Moku and Akula Zoko while an abag. Oh, Bromamelo Brune Ezoku Bulezoku, the agent. I am not the one that made truth to be truth. Not me. I don't have the power to. Is Chuko Kadam. She didn't get Jenugeno or a boy na. I say Zoku, Zoka Blezoku or Bromat. What I got the point now? DPM is DPM, not by my making or blow my making. It is actually divine. Meaning that he knows who is who. He searches every heart. He knows what you are capable of doing. He knows if you are equal to the task or not. He is your creator. He knows this. A battle enough. He made a fast guy. He made a pancake. Or a pancake and a body for herself. If I mind the powder and he did do powder for a name near that Adama or pancake, right? Or just normal powder. You understand what I'm talking about? Baking, I've never stopped baking powder. You could laugh back. Okay, please pardon me. All these things is what you need to understand in life. Oh, Chukwu na-emeze. Abụla mmadụ na-emeze. Ada azụ is always as aka ejie gị. Aka gị eji gị. Ada azụ eze azụ. Oh, you believe in as eze azụ. ọgara sinachi ụwa bụ mụmụ mana isi na ọkara gị na echiri bụ ụwa n'isi dosiri isi gị bie gị na ada agwa na yogo biko ọgwa ga-etisi pụta oge ọgwa ga-etu ekwusi pụta oge na ọ na-ejizi gị onu because if you na amara karịrị gị who are you? Nigerian government ga-eyuzu Ngozi wee gbuo bata obi na obi iberibe gị kwadizie Nigerian government jiri Maazị Nnamdi Kanu for 8 days fegbu uli ya Lazuba ọ bụ ife na-eme dose Maazị Nnamdi Kanu ndị mba ọkwachukwu so all this thing na-eme bụ just iberibe I don't blame you because you put on a chukwu dị biko eke ọgbakwa ka eke na-ekwe na chukwu mba eke adị ekwe na chukwu so it's not surprising though. It's not surprising. Eke kesi na-ebu so eke na-ekwe na chukwu. You made mention of Matanga. Ebe me agazi na Matanga. Maka ndị na-aghọtabeghị agent that you are supporting. Ime Matanga attack. For what? What is Matanga's offense? In Akoyogo? No. In Erezia fundraising? No. What is the problem? Even if Matanga. Any capable hands that is doing something for PM to come out. Why? A bullet in Patakia to pollute that side. Anyone you see today that Lazuba is happy with, like she's not happy with Jomo Okoma and the husband, it is another evidence for you to know that Jomo Okoma and Bryce Okoma is up to something. Lazuba, they can the clockwise na village. You will to Belachara, Tia Odo. Oh, even a tea and if it plastic or rubber. Ị ga-achị na ụdafa itie hook gị na mmiri asụ na ya na-atụrụ idide itie na-atụ ya na-atụ ya na-atụrụ idide the moment that sign itie that if it ka plastic ga-achị na ụdafa ga na-efloat na mmiri the one sọdọ ya wee baa na mmiri ma na the hook ejiri go dash isi itie right Lazuba dị ka datin the moment Lazuba so gị wee dakpu ya obere ma that person Lazuba na-eso bụ fake. Also, man, so you will shout out for man that person may perform off when it comes to sabotaging. If you begin to perform very, very well, to put an obstacle to freedom of Biafra movement or freedom of PM or Maazị Nnamdi Kanu, know that that person is up to something. Utako si akwa aka na akwụrụ oge gara aga oge ya fall back. Oge kere na ebe oge kere not today. Ọ gbala oge nke ọsọ. Abroad and normal if you go to again oge kere na job nke ya akwụna. Her job is just very simple. Make sure you do everything that you to scare people that will help PM away. Make sure that you keep on maintaining chaos among Biafrans. You understand? This is a very common thing in the area of her specialization. Get does on the but this is her own area of specialization. And she's performing. Yes, she's performing because some of us has failed to understand who this woman actually is. But in the Makwama, Mano when did I pretend that Famaro? I got no good. Because the boyo come meno. Or you could have the beer. Oh, take you change your work.
You're a betrayer. You have a problem in your land. You can't even go in your land.
He actually went to his land last before you. When last did you visit Igbo land? What? Ajan Amatos quick already. It Nazareth Lazuba. Also came by Bana Sudan. She was the Baba France. Makande de Kukuna in our boss. In a what are the point? Now Matanga na boss na befa. Go and we also get a banking. Can you even go to, when last did your siblings, see you? As of now, you don't even know who is your husband, although you are married many husbands, but you cannot beat your sister and say, yeah, this is my rightful husband. You don't have.
You never settled the problem when you get to your land. You want to talk about Biafra. Because every problem you have is every slighted is your opportunity. But I will tell you today, you can deceive who you will deceive, but you can't deceive us. For the history of this Mutanga, today in court, I don't know, check. I demand now 1, 2, 3.
Sorry. Now listen to the offense of Matanga. Okay, Obido, let me attack. Oh, Matanga. Now hear the reason why she chose to drag David Matanga. Just for dragging sake, nothing more. No justifiable reason, nothing to hang, nothing to hold that warrant this attack on Matanga. What did he do? For genuinely trying to support PM, doing his best. You can see the pain in the minds of this Shirudrat, lying with everything in her. One campaign will know what he fought. ABC didn't do never Matanga. You can go to court. Each in a court go club, nightclub.
Nkeno we rules. Muma wonye lazy up this Matanga issue. Na court. Kama mwa well and different delays said after lose not that place. After lose nya. Sikankunya kamali fo yeku. Ana mamia. Sikankunya kamali fo yeku. Wesa home na mono no kwari nda na akọ na Mutanga bịara Finland submit a document. Biko onwere onye from Matanga or Musanga or Mutanga, I don't care whatever he call himself. Assume that nobody see Mutanga. So okay fugo no ifendo tungozo na base ni deare. And when fellow Zugala after can kuchara this thing, those who work the girl, the woman say, no na jogo na Mutanga obiara. Josu na neku na obiara. O na jogi na Mutanga obiara. Josu po na Mutanga bia. The woman we say, kirika mmesi na Mutanga bia. Kwa na mafu Mutanga. Osia no here in secret. Osia which is secret. Osia no here in secret. No here in the secret room. The woman is here secret room. Osia just don't ask too much question. Just say yes. I jog one on here. We turn we see close. They dalo. They days botalo. Unyalo keo. Sade kena nyifine ku. Ina kwa this woman ogwara gane afu Mutanga. Ina say yes. Ajua ya ku no free no na secret room. One secret room. Ozubo zo ne ku los blow up and move jo wala je bozo no. Inside better you go that place. Unu to blow unu na say. And don't watch ya since ane ku Mutanga. Mutanga iku boku tata ka Mutanga putaziwe me program. Which I use program ya either this night or tomorrow. I will send you a message. I know they speak English well very well, but the one why I go speak Mutanga or Matanga, we hear it. Because that man run away. That man, that criminal, that idiot run away from his country. He never settled the country, the problem we have with his country. He never settled his problem. Now, a Biafran blood, they won't sit down and eat on top. It can never work. I will send a message to him. I will talk to him. Destiny. When we are going to go there.
All right. So yes, my sister, our beautiful sister, Margaret. Thank you so much. I understand. I'm happy that it happened to Pastor Rose. Pastor Rose is one of us. Okay. I'm not attacking her, but as know if you might get make it there. Okay, it's big now. You know that this issue of peace is so honestly, if you say that too much of on my ear, I will just again bend those you cannot run faster than your shadow. You cannot run faster than your shadow. You don't have to be a foolish person to make peace. No. The insult and the experience that anybody that somehow calculative would agree with me that this time around in this Finland tour have exposed a lot of things that will help you to make your decision better. Because Pastor Rose believed that together, unity, this and that is the way to go. You get check, you get an peace first. You are sitting closer to them, doing this and doing that. It's okay, but get ready to receive the insult. Lazuba started by saying that she's the one that raised the issue because she knows that Rose is there. And how she jumped to the one woman talking and Pastor Rose started telling the woman to say this and say that one is, she did not explain it well. But then again, Matanga, Lazuba said that Matanga have not said anything all this while, that he just made, a video. As no graduated all about it, you can only hear Matanga when Matanga made a video, but all the posts, tweets, you don't have time to read it, or maybe you cannot, you don't have time. Why? And then why are you not talking? Why are you talking? Anyway, here it is.
And I even now where okay, I have put that place. Kaije na first video. Very useless human being.
Lazuba.
Okay, now I have watch on this video. I don't yeah, watch on cool onuma. Will watch this video. May go see you in a way only you see will may understand what happened here. I'm coming. Oh no, don't complete. I will go and look for the complete one. Engineer. I come on my own video there. I chọrọ nkunu n'anya eba. Nke a wumbo batobie puta from the court room because I am by inside the court. I need no outside. Well, check out batobie puta. Ono na buta. Ona na share this program. Nenanya. Just watch. No, I will ever control my own. Let me bring my own because I recorded it. Thank you. Okay. All of this one. Bam. All on catch up. Because onye wepụtara nke a kọtụrụ ya akọtụ. Achọghị m nwe ka akọtụ onye akọtụ. Chere na ana m abịa. Achọrọ m ka akọtụ onye akọtụ. Because I want akọtụ onye akọtụ.
She called Matanga name because Matanga is supporting PM and Matanga is working with the USD. They understand each other, and it's a problem to Lazuba. Lazuba is a useless woman, very useless. I don't have time for this nonsense. Why?
From this programmer, Nachi goes. I don't come maybe the video ya we fe. When it young, don't touch him. Don't touch him. If a van after is a pitch. When I watch this one, we go so if me all of this one. All of this one. Actually, I'm this one. I'm going to know something. Then I'm happy. Actually, I'm going to watch here.
From US. You remember me? Yes. No. Hey,
One of free fellows watch and lose now. From this programmer, Nachi goes on now. Ononka boye sina nki kukuna. Achọrọ kono watch ya lose. Achọrọ kono na focus to na lose. And the opore mad na ba for now I'm on inside this place just to focus on a rose. Manacho miji program kukuna because if you meleba ta I wanna about be survive or ija. If about to be survive this in Jema ojere tata. I wanna about to be survive onya. Chineke aka na yo later about to be ko survive ya unjem. Ma the most happiest person. Ma the most happiest person. Onwele nke nna achọ ebe man na-eti don't touch him. Me video mo because okudo over. Afugo mi ife na emenu. Have go do video anything. Ife do go do mo na worry sister block or nde mmadụ. Ife lozu even lozu kwala obata obi aka. Ebe ọ na-achọ we iji we nwete obata obi. Chelo. Oh my God. Adam isim na achok. Aina chiji ewela aka kpata ulo papafuo na ona ya dị careful. Aina chiji aka kpata ulo papafuo na ona ya dị careful. Na ona ya dị careful. Even more amadi in for the first time when they confused like this until the man condition about to be for now. I'm a condition now. Okay. Man na pom man ade ma phone. Ama na pom bed. Nya na kono koto ama monye na koto. Afford me be onya asi a. Nya wa wisi. Yeah. So, I go on onye na-aba mama ụfọdụ many ka ọ na-aba ụfọdụ many ka ọ na-abata ụfọdụ many ka and onye na-akpọ m ya akwụsị kpọ biko so stop calling. Hello.
All right, I'm going to end the Lazuba here because I was on call just now, so sorry about that. Yes, my voice, I was on call. I moved my mic, my sister Margaret. So if you want to chip on something, because I just checked my time now and I have to wind down because of fundraising. Okay, that is coming up a few hours from now. My sister, the goddess. There we have you. Grab the mic.
Greetings in the house, Omazikai. I greet you. It's such a wonderful day.
Yes.
O nwere egwu ndị mere Nollywood gụrụ ọsị ụwa gị o, ụwa nke ga-ajọka, afụfụ ụwa emenenu ikwe ga-ekwe, emenana ikwe ga-ekwe, ụwa nke ga-ajọkakwa, ike agwụgo anyị o. Or gịnị? Am I coming out?
Loud and clear, loud and clear. Let's say that now. Okay, get a catch. Oh, if you don't, whatever. Okay, get a catch. We go.
O nwekwara egwu ọ gụrụ na ihe nke a karịa, ọ sị nọ welcome Biafra, welcome Biafra, welcome Biafra, obodo ekwela anyị na nkwa o, welcome Biafra. Ọ gịnị dị ife nke a gbalụgbalụ fere oke ọ nwara ala. What I want to say is, you cannot have somebody's credit card information that is not your husband or your wife, or you have a joint account with.
That is true. That is true. It's spot on. Spot on. Spot on.
Let me, because
Mazi Kai can stop when we call. I'll call in back.
Okay, Ganilu, Triple M.
All right, my brother Akai report. We do direct my number. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. I greet other people in the house. I don't know anyway. Yesterday, network control is off and down. Besides, I'm not on. When Batazi, gay gazi, the other room. Audio okay. Audio okay.
Very sorry, my dear.
I was at the comment section. But I'm na room. Give them na Zulu. Man, na kwaka na do akambe. No shake, no response. Say, oh, and they don't hear. I believe that you know how ga. You know here. I don't think because your camera they turned off.
Oh my goodness.
Sorry. Thank you so much, my brother. My people at the comment section, I greet each and every one of you. I know we have no time anywhere. You know, otu akam ka ogde kandi Igbo na-asị imi the one day na akwa.
Yes, sir.
Once they are seen, we'll always find them out.
Definitely.
This is to tell you that Lazuba, our PM, even I don't even know how some of our people reason. They thought that the same thing had a project will lead them as no. Or this or no with senses here. Buying channel here. I know even the so-called Lazuba no. PM Sabo, Guapaya Hano, yeah, bro, capital social media. I gonna why I am out there, Ucha did them.
Even I got behind the scene.
I am a day, man. A PM match up Tagoya fish at the drill pick a draw Yagaya and I say, Anna, you are up to something. Arabaya. Now look at, she will always fight anybody that is working on the favor of Biafra on the right direction. Bamu here Masanga Mriana, Masanga na USB won't stand energy, Ebula our PM. Back to Nigeria. Oh, she back door. KG Buria. Lasuba. Oh, mama na private jet. Abela. Finland. Private jet. Abo.
Now we're gonna be if eating a PM government man and a manifesto.
Oh, for this time, Unushia, when you brasai, that na PM Jenga, Yejana appeal. Ya Jenga. Kamra lo team na ya gaden gozi na Ogenkele. USB, I got there for appeal. What is the USB ga appeal? Ya buy yoko. No, don't USB. No, bo someone back out Denaka or Chima appeal. Me, mana, Mobrum Bosamolo. Me ma appeal. Eh, Jenga. La soba. Apetasalam rumungage na ebube. Even a question but an ebube because able cho. You have like a touch and die. A question he talk on ebube. All village you na kage dumegina sell. Ndi bunu gana bia bragging kri. Iya eji we chop again obodo. Iya eji we boss on obodo ka giga bakwa na Europe na emekwa ya. Till today.
Yes, man.
My brother.
You look fresh, yo.
Thank you so much, my brother.
Moon is coming.
Yeah. We are going. We Biafran, we are going, you know.
Go where? Go where?
That's it, my brother. You won't understand. Cameroon man. So, my brother, thank you so much. I don't have time. I mean, at work anyway. So, I heard you, maybe I won't be afraid. I push him, no one I represent my country. I will be in Nigeria. You do direct my name, Mardalo.
Yeah, well, God bless you. Take care of yourself and enjoy your day. Mr. Mazi John Okenwa, our own. Let's hear from you.
Mazi Kai, good evening, sir.
Udo direct one man.
Udo direct my brother. Nekene kwano moyo abuna no na studio.
I'm in the studio now. What are you?
Okay, Madam Ojugo ko.
Goddess.
I can more of Madam Ojugo, my Triple M, everybody. Mandikaya bata, Mobi, one hancha.
I know one is done, sir.
Oh,
because of fundraising.
No, I noticed. Yeah, to be honest with you, I got him with this woman. Because now this woman, to be honest with you, Biafrans, amami ha ju eficha na Finland, ma hapo nwa ya, because nwa ya the normal, just ikpokati ensu iworo, just iworo aka, just ye ji aka niile, just woro ofu mkposi aka. That is
no, ibuche iru.
Nna ke ya ọkpụ n'ọnụ ya ka ọnụ ya afụ n'ime owere dọkpa a na-eke n'ọnụ mmadụ ọfụnite. Because nwa ya ama m nọ. I'm telling you the honest truth. Next time ọ chọọ ikwu okwu, ya cheta ọkpa ha akịrị n'ọnụ ya, that is ya emechi ọnụ, because nna nke a ọ bụzikwa ara, nke a bụzi ara, nke a dị ọzọ amaghịzi m. Ọ ka nwa ya na-aṅụ mkpụrụ mmiri. Ọ ka na-aṅụ mkpụrụ mmiri. Because na afọ m ka ihe eji wee jee nnọọ ihe dịka Finland anụ ya ijere. Wee jee nnọọ ebe a na-akọsụgharị problem up and down. After all those problems ị kọsụrụ, BM kpọkwa jide akwanye ma ji onye na-ekwu maazị akwa confirm kwuo na-agwụ na-eyere warning no guys na-agwara esi jide ya n'aka wee gwu ya okwu. Still orubeghị, ọ natebeghịkwa anata, orubeghị 2 days eji gwu ya okwu a okopụkwa. To tell you na ihe ị na-ekwu nwaanyị ya were ndị ọ na-arụrụ ọrụ. Ihe ikwuru bụ the fact, because na ya sị m na somebody na-arụ with the Biafrans, onye ọbụla ọ fụrụ ọ na-eme attack. O nwebeghị onye omebe sọsọ onye ya asị na omebe attack bụ ndị anụnwa kwetara daiz onye achọghị mkpu daiz ọ chọọ ka somebody care and ọ chọọ ka somebody direct ya. Ọ bụrụ ha niile ọ na-ekwu na-asị then mara na daiz ịbụ the best.
Yeah.
I can be surprised na this guy nke ya na obi ọsọ obi gịnị bụ nke ya na-eme program obi ize. I'm surprised na ya na ya anụbeghị ọgụ, because ha ekwesịghị ịnụ ọgụ, mana I can be surprised. So this woman ama m nnọọ ya eme ka that is ka nwa ya akwụsị ya ọ na-akọs, because ọ na-akọsịrị ma BM ọ na-akọsịrị problem. Iji ihe dịka Finland iweghị gị ji gba tiketi ihe eji wee jie na mmadụ ya kwụrụ ụgwọ tiketi, iwu pụta na soshal midia na-ekwu ya, mana ịnọ ebe a na-akọ onye karịrị ọnụ, onye karịrị n'ụwa niile pụtara na-akụ ya ọnụ. Ọkwa nnụnụ mgbe ọ na-asị na oweghị ebe ororo gị na ya, oweghị ebe ororo gị na ya, because na akpụkwụ were size ebughọ size ya, size that is even self akpụkwụ ịzọ na self abụrụ size ya ọnụ. What way ka gị na-eji bụ size ọ na education ka ọ na social media ka ọ na ihe a na-eme ka ọ na thinking ka ebe ọ eruru gị na ya na-azụba. Nna nwaanyị ya menu n'owu ya ebere biko nọ na kọsara anyị in short ịmara na-echekwuru m ihe na ndị Jeremy na Finland that's ọ na-asọ oyi nke pụta nọ n'ebe a whole prime minister nọ gwaba si no hug as what. Ọ pụtakwana si na Dr. Ngozi Orabaeze chọrọ igbu bịa otu osi wesikwa na ọ chọrọ idip ka ị nụ ụdị mmadụ dị ya sef gbanụ na aka anyị because of fundraising ka a ghara ikwu much man nna ike gwụkwa.
Thank you, my brother.
Udo brother.
Thank you.
Ndewo
my brother. You guys are be na nke nego. You guys
so where there. Onye ọbụla well done my brother. Onye ọbụla le maka this woman. Ịmara na onye ahụ nwere aghọta. The only thing is that once he start net be crying like this way, you know that his plan have failed. If you don't know, I understand. Once Ada cry like this, for Dr. Ngozi and this kind of this and this, crying like this, my dear brother, her plan have failed. I understand. Because if she have executed her plan, he will say, he will jubilate it. But once he's crying like this, my brother, her plan have failed. So let me tell you people, if you don't know it now. Is it working for these people? It's working for them. I understand. Just a few days ago, Epa told him, see, stop. It's not up to 24 hours. A carry am come out according to their plan have failed because she cannot be able to execute it. So this is what I want to tell all of us. Stand see, the victory is already there for us. I appreciate you all. And sorry, I want to use this opportunity to tell Pastor Rose. Pastor Rose, let me tell you something. I really appreciate you for all you are doing. But one thing we know, it's not everybody that we make peace with. The Bible said, the Bible said, give peace to whom that want peace. Understand? See, let me tell you, it's not everybody that we make peace with. Especially this movement. Don't try to make people to say you are because you are calling you a pastor or this and this. No. If you are flowing that kind of thing, you make mistake. Please be careful. Not everybody you make peace with. I appreciate you all. Thank you. Okay, bye. Thank you. Hello, Kai. Hello, Kai.
Can you hear me? Can I hear me? Okay. Mazika and Deo. Yeah, sorry, this environment is very noisy. The person knows that. So. But I will just say this weekend greetings to each and every one of us, according by your time zone. Dear friends, one thing is certain. Allowed. When some. This woman, Mazika, that it is confirmed that men when they and it is proven by her attitude, her act, and her utterance. I want us to take it deeply. In this world today, we know that men when they make one day that can give you money easily. But as she stands today, I don't know the capacity. The person who was able to send 1,900 to an unknown person, 1,900 to an unknown person euro. If you convert it to which will give you about approximately to almost 3-point-something million, right? In a space of a couple of days, just for over Finland. Now, she went to Finland. By her word, she says she lost her card. She lost her card. I heard you when you say that, Malika. And she had no other person to call again. She still called this unknown person, unknown friend that he knew through social media. And this person immediately sent her extra 1,000, approximately 1 million and above. So you can imagine such a person. As it is, the woman is in France. I don't know where the person is sent the religion. The nigga children of France, how they survive. They will mother to send them such amount of money just for a gala. Even if they're about a gala means free gift. That will tell you exactly who this woman is. Dear friends and citizens of the world, please look into this very deep. Now, watch everything. Though I will not call Obieze to watch it because I've come to I've come to be convinced that Obieze himself had the same agenda with the woman. If not, I would have asked people like him to look deep into this. Anybody since the beginning of this journey, this problem of Obatuobie, any person, dear friends, go and check back from our program. Any person that have something to offer, meaningful thing to offer towards the freedom of Obatuobie, towards the freedom of Biafra, go and check. This woman have attacked that person through one way or the other, through her utterance, even in the journey of all the groups that she have joined. This will tell you exactly who this woman is. Look at it, dear friends. Matanga is a well-known. Yes. All the noise. That's why I'm going to win. But I believe that the management.
We are struggling to understand some of the things you are saying because of that.
Good. Matanga, who is doing everything humanly possible, is a known lawyer in the world. She is now attacking Matanga in order to make Matanga to withdraw, so that her agenda will be achieved. And let me say this: there's a program that was from Abasa Moneba on our new channel yesterday, late night yesterday, where this woman was making some utterances that even now authority called back to be able to go and listen to that. You will understand a lot from that. Mazika, I will conclude with this because now fundraising is almost there. This woman, Luba, the Banjo, right from this Sofia, were banning at a younger age, and that have been the trend. The same thing going on. So in the by, we can know her and take her by her own identity. Mazika, thank you. May God bless you, bless your family. May God bless each and every one of us. See you all in fundraising. God bless you. Go and support the United States of Biafra. Support it financially. Pastor Rose, I'm very sorry for the situation that this woman mentioned your name. Thank you. I will. Mazika, please take over, or somebody that is in the studio, you may just speak if you have not made submission.
Please permit me to mute you. The noise is, it is too much. I can't even pick anything from what you're saying. I don't know if I'm the only one because of the background. Master Greg, let's hear from you. There was Master Greg, are you there?
Yeah,
okay,
Master, because my opposite my house, I want a big party. So, are you hearing me?
Yes, we can hear you.
Hello?
We can hear you. Yes, we can hear you.
Yeah. Okay. Okay. Thank you. Okay. Yeah, my brother. Thank you so much for this very program, and it's a very, 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 very big exposition, very, very big exposition, and a very, very big information, and very big secret. I don't know another language. I'm not good with English. So, yeah, for onye ọbụla bụ onye si na ya na-achọ nwere onwe ma ọ bụghị ihe mkpuke to me in person. I won't ihe mkpuke to me as a person because onye ọbụla na-achọ nwere onwe na-eso ada dọrọ mma na-ege ada dọrọ mma na-eri n'iwu ada dọrọ mma na-eme anything with the ada dọrọ mma. For me, I'm telling you before heaven, onye a sị m that na ya dị convinced that ada dọrọ mma bụ an agent from Nigeria. Emmanuel na-agwa onwe eziokwu. So ihe ndị iwe akpa ya no revelation, information, exposition, secret, or whatever you can call it, for people who are still doubting, who their mind have not been able to convince whom this woman is. So, a man that na onye ahụ nwere, I don't know the language m nwere ike use. A man onye ahụ nwere ike ịnọ na mmiri ncha na-abaghị anya. Onye ahụ nwere ike ịnọ na gbadagba mmiri ọ suppose wee wuchue sachaa onwe ya, mana ncha na-eme gịnị? Ncha na-abaghị anya. A man onye ahụ bụ a man do 30 years. Ọ na-ele anya nna ya nọrọ ndụ ya na nne ya biri. Ọ na-anọ nwoke ọzọ bata ya nyefee ya okwu gadi na nne ya. Am I coming out, please?
You can
Am
hear
I
you.
coming out? Can you please?
Yes, you're
Okay,
coming out
thank
loud
you.
and clear. Everyone,
So,
we can hear
a
you.
man under 30 years, ya na nne na nna ya bi. So, nwoke ọzọ pụta nyefee that man under 30 years okwu ka di na nne ya. So, any person na-ege ada dọrọ mma, ọ na-efu ada dọrọ mma as a freedom fighter. A man onye ahụ, that person enweghị ike iweta 1 and 2 chịkọta ya ọnụ mmanụ ọgwụ 4 or 3. Excuse me. Ọ nweghị ike iji iweta 1 and 2 tinye ya 1 or 3, or weta 2 and 2 1 or 4. A man onye ahụ nwee problem in the first place. This woman said that na ya tụfuru kaadị ya. Any person na tụfu card, you cannot lose only your card. Any important card, you know, with your pass, with your purse. I want to put a na that ya tụfuru his purse, and ya nwere a card, a kind of credit card ya natara mmadụ. A man na nwere ike geme ya ntị. Mana a person bịara protest nọ na hotel, kọwa tụtụrụ only that card ọ natara mmadụ. O were his purse that's supposed to be with his ID card. Before me see here, we gava Finland. I did not even remember that I'm supposed to take my pass. Here, you my ID card. My ID card take me from Frankfurt to what do you call it? Because I'm bored from Frankfurt. I'm bored direct flight from Frankfurt. And when I move from what do you call it? From Helsinki. The same, if nobody asks me my pass because I'm going back. It's like a local flight. It's like a local flight. The only thing on my phone, and I could have downloaded online or my boarding pass. We are na that scanner. Then the gate maybe there was nothing like a immigration control, not at all. So, which means she must have traveled with her ID. So what I'm trying to say is, or the singular out Nakadia fruit. Number one, when the woman away criminal, a pure criminal, always scammer. He want to scam the people who are paying him. He need more money from them. This woman need more money from them. And I'll be like, well, that Naya have his card. That card, where the people doesn't want to pay him cash. They gave him a kind of card. And even that card, they will be loading money for him, for her. And I have been saying it for that Rama to be going to Finland. A woman that have children, a single mother, every time she jump on in the plane, somebody is sponsoring her. I have said it so many times. Somebody is sponsoring the woman. I am telling you the fact. So any person who is doubting that Adama is a pure agent of Nigeria, and those people like her. So none of they see people like this or no need them. But the way these people are agents of Nigeria. I am telling you the fact. If you like, believe. If you don't like, don't believe. And they have evil. Yes, I don't know the programs. I came out yesterday. I was telling them why they call this problem in Finland yesterday was they are saying that the case of PM is possibly he might be coming out any time, and they want to cause. He's telling them that nobody should touch who are evil. So much. They are the agent of the darkness. Because I have to reduce my voice. I'm outside. These people are agents of darkness. Agent of darkness. He said that the card is not her card. That card, Nigerian government gave her that card, filling that card is a kind of credit card. So they're filling the money for her. So whatever she wants to do on this kind of thing, she will.
Anyway, thank you, my people. We're gonna end it here. God bless all of you that are joining us in this program. Please keep your eyes.
Mr. Kai, you forgot me, eh?
Oh my goodness. sorry, my brother.
You really want
to. Thank you so much. Thank you, Master Greg. Network.
I gave Buko wine up.
I got one. They are my brother.
How do I keep anyway? I greet you, Mr. Kai, you and your family, my honorable Ozoyemo Ocean Master.
Network background, your honorable
yeah, I'm a child. I like better more. I to guy no Apollonia. So, Mr. Greg, can I have a look here? People on the comment section, Triple M, and finally, my river goddess.
Yeah, Jesus.
EK Jesus, I greet you. And the person that just came in now, I couldn't see anything then. I greet all of you. I say may God bless all of you people. Anyway, here Triple M cool that actually sweetening my mind, my heart, or should I say gladdened my heart. And when boy use Ebube, then I was like thinking, can you imagine how beautiful Ebube are they? And when we start referring to ourselves, where are you? It's in Ebube. You know, that kind of a thing, like stop calling the state in Nigeria and when we are in Biafra. That is by the way. The issue of card or no card, possibility it might be true, no that don't lose a card there, credit card there or not. I don't want to dwell in that. And people lost their certain things, but probably she's trying to pass a message that even though Nana dash here before, no nuchena Naya dash is here also, and then mother can dash here. Maybe that is what she was trying to project. Another one is that sometimes I don't know, somebody is so foolish and still proud of being foolish. Yeah, like they somehow funny. What a toolbox is. A toolbox. Adarama is like a toolbox that everybody can be able to use. She is willing to, not intentionally, but if when he and the Omaha know a toolbox called. Now, why I say this is I don't put one on a media. Mr. Greg.
Please, because the question because I thought no man of it too. I don't remember 1,000,000% what she is doing.
No, I know that's what I'm trying to
tell me at all.
That is why I want to explain it. Obo Norma has some certain things on him. Mana anyway level of understanding here in some certain things.
Mama, everything. She's an agent and she knows she's doing it.
Okay, I will agree with you to some extent, but try to understand the point where I'm coming from. When you look at her in a different angle, she's so passionate of fighting for Biafra, but at the same time, she doesn't even know when she's doing the wrong thing.
No, she's not passionate.
Like,
I'm sorry.
No, we're not. Biafra. I'm seeing it in a different angle.
Okay.
I sound not the serious about
Obi-Wan.
The Biafra. Yes. Yeah.
Obi-Wan.
I'm listening.
So in a mixed state with somebody who is in a mixed state with somebody who is a betrayer, an agent of Nigeria will not be more passionate than you.
No.
You think somebody who wants to kill you will not be more passionate than you?
Chelo, I can't see my own judgment of things.
Look at the game this woman is playing. This man is playing with the brain of Biafrans. This woman is playing with the brain of every single Biafran. Listen very, very well. I don't know why my network, I was shouting. I didn't know my voice was not coming out. I can bet my life Adadorama is an agent.
Your agent. Sure.
There is nobody that can send 1,000 instantly to Adadorama if that person is not working for Nigeria.
God bless you.
There is nobody who will send instant. That person is not contributing money into Biafra freedom. But that person is able to send her, what do you call it, 1,000 euro.
Instantly. 1 week. Or is it even 2,900?
Let me come again because my voice was not coming out. And she told you that card she's using is not her own card. This card is the card the Nigerian government gave to this lady, and they are refilling that card for her. The card doesn't belong to her.
Master Greg, okay,
You people, somebody, you don't need somebody to use your brain. My brother, go far in your listening and fasting. Be fast enough. I've not spoken to you like this before. But be fast enough with your brain. They refilled this card for Adada Rama. And Adama clearly want to get more money from them because she knew that Obato is coming out. All this, I said somewhere in the program yesterday that this thing they did yesterday is because they said that this man will be coming out. They are trying to cause something that they will do by anyhow for them to grow something. That one did not succeed. This is what she's bringing again. Today, that somebody wants to kill Abadogie. And that is why they were plotting evil to tell nobody should touch Abadogie. My brother, we should fast enough to reason. This woman cannot be more clever than the people who are reasonable enough.
I suppose it's like that.
They give her this card. Anything she wants to use it, they will fill in that card for her. Her job cannot provide that credit card for her. I don't know. You should continue before because I'm having a headache. Thank you.
Mr. Greg, you gonna headache because of Amana. The way she manipulates people, if you don't control yourself, you will be out of line because she's a manipulator. Mr. Kai, all of you in the media, throw a challenge to Adade Ramma. And that challenge is, we want to know how you get the message of let us fall back.
It's not a massive challenge.
That's why when you make a particular program, like make a program to Adade Ramma, tell us how did you get the fallback? Because Adade Ramma have personal problem with Dr. Ngozi Oraveze. That is why even when you are doing something good, and so far that Ngozi Oraveze is part of that thing that is good, you are condemned. And that is actually spoiling everything that she thinks that she is doing, is messing the whole thing up. I would like just make even if it's 10 minutes or 9 minutes, those kind of your video that you normally make, but center on how to show us how you get the information of let us fall back, because that is where everything started. That thing can generate a lot of where the information was coming out from, and people can actually reason with it. That's what I kind of like think. Maybe it might work, but just give it a shot. Just 7 minutes this thing you post to her. May I call a challenge to her? Let's see what she will say. Now, the buy should get ready for another aqua, because somebody get aqua this month. Somebody must cry this month. Now, because number one, upload delete the video delete in a platform. Okay. And now when you list it,
because of the copyright of the
so now the whole thing, because Kevuka Usie explain the video. No gwalu na agwa no wu no wu na ihe na bel Simon eba na iwu no ya bel, because all of them are the same. Understand my point? Did you get that video of ma? Even on na akunyeku Simon eba and every other saboteur. Nihe na abiakute Simon ekpa na onye ama na oye jenga no na watch, and all of them are the same. She is so stupid to the extent that I don't just understand. That's why I call her a toolbox. Anybody can use Adadorama without her knowing, and somebody can say, yeah, she knows. But she was used, especially when they say fall back. Because Adadorama wanted to show how important she is in this struggle. The last thing Okuru also, I disappointed Obatobie. I should have protected Obatobie. What are you protecting Obatobie from? I failed him. I don't care where she is coming from. I failed him. I should have protected Obatobie. And you can see that Mona Wari sister, Nona Gade, Kaya Mako, Obatobie. And Kekunsiwe Marco Chazia Obatobie. Can you also hear Marco's Obatobie? In a protect Obatobie from what? Or say that ma'am, Nemecha Komala, the condition of Obatobie. Why are you making yourself to be so important? Meanwhile, also according to Nyawa, no kwasa apako ne vudolo Abatobie. Ojewe outing, uvula abanesi. How important is it? In fact, I want much, but I'm a little bit busy now. Yeah, because we will be at a lot, but try and make a video. No, we want to push her. I talk I push you. Kai malkene how go around your sa otu Sonia Barawa has he manipulate here. Because now I manipulate ya or danye na the trap. Now ne potazia pota instead of try away.
I saw me go deeper because it can another my own kind. You go now manipulate it simply means that this see about corona manipulate it cannot manipulate a manipulator. So from by as men on ground send the other more voice note or will you have program. The question about the first thing they give it to the end of the guy for now, on a level of his there. You know what? On a channel, why? Well, formulate to go do any fake story. The angles are beze. Send the other diorama. Watch out here, man. Just formulate to go to make you sure. Why am I? As a kid, they after that man, so over normal teaching. Over normal, he gives the word manipulating. And man, that thing he said, as long as that goes on there, or the more serious, 95% than go outside yourself. Because now, she's just on assignment as a contractor. Yeah. Yeah, I'm leaving for somewhere. See ya. Bye. I love you guys. And you too. Take care, my brother. Master Greg. Master Greg, are you still with us? Are you still here with us?
Yeah, I'm very good. My little kitchen is.
There we go. I had to know if I can join.
Okay.
Because I get used to fundraising.
Okay. When you have some too much, if I'm coming out, I think I have to make what I'm doing here. With this program, touch it again. It's not a smaller program. We will touch this program, honestly. Thank you. And God bless.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. God bless you. All right. I greet all of you in the comment section. Our lovely mommy, Margaret, our own. Margaret is our own. And all of you here, peace. I greet you. And this is our sister that joined us today. Where are you? Princess Mercy. I greet all of you. Please, we are going to end it here. God bless all of you. Thank you so much. I'm heading. I just want to make sure that my system cool off at least 30 minutes before fundraising. Day one. Come on, Day one.
Look at people of weak mind, very weak disposition. I need men and women made of steel. Nothing moves. You continue to push forward, never knowing what it means to retreat. Only forward can you go.
Okay, I just saw a comment from Madam Origin. Are you still here, Madam Origin? Are you still here? Madam Origin, are you still here? I did not even see your comment on time. Just a moment, guys. I think Madam Origin is here. Please, if you are here, let me know. Madam Origin, are you still here with us? I think she's watching from behind. Okay. Please go nowhere. Let's hear from Madam Origin. The link is here. Just only Madam Origin, please, because I'm running short of time. The link is there. John said, please, Kai, don't do that. Don't do that. Second to last man said you should do. Don't worry, my dear. I understand what they're saying. I'm not doing that. I'm not doing that. We don't do that here. I saw what they're saying. I'm a man of my own. No. Madam Origin, let's hear from you. God bless you for joining us.
Thank you, Mazika. Yama Meregi. All the Army Squad of Heaven. No name off, ma. Thank you so much. All protocols observed. Obi-Wan, I greet you. Everyone that is awake, up, and doing what they know best to do, and that is to defend our mandate, defend our nation, see what we can do for our leaders that are in dungeon, and protect the one ne luala. I like to use it that way. So, a very quick one. Another important thing I want to say here before I address why I came in is because Madencha something that is please, Mazikai, one thing I love about you is that you are very, very careful with your words. And you know how to, manage your emotions, even when you're not happy, you're angry. you pad it well before you throw it, when they're angry, they throw things everywhere. Please, in this season, between these 21 days of our Prime Minister on trial again, because he is defending himself, please sheathe your sword. I don't know who is going to help me reach Rose. Please, I don't want to hear you again call and leave Finland alone. Finland Finland Merenka. Bikono, everybody sheathe your swords for a very strong reason. That is house cleaning. Now, you people know when this woman,
can you people remember when she came out? Nobody asked her. I said, I have a phone. I have a phone.
In my question, not have phone at that time. Hey, give him his voice.
Can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you now. Did you remember the person
Can you hear
that
me?
accused of? Yes, I do. I do. Do you remember the person that she accused of hacking her phone at that time?
I'm in front of your house. Okay, all right, all right. Can you hear me now?
Yes, we can hear you. We can hear you. You're welcome back. We can hear you. Oh gosh, she don't know that we can hear her. Madam Boruju, I was hearing your voice. Even the person that I think maybe dispatch driver or something like that. You don't. I don't know. Just come back before we shut down. Madam Boruju, come back. Yeah, she's back.
Okay, yes.
Okay.
I'm heading
You're
out
welcome.
somewhere. So let me do this very quickly. So you people had when she said, "Na ya bapata na."
Frank, I know you. Madam Boruju, you're welcome. The bio the seeker. You're welcome, Madam Boruju.
Thank you. You had when she said they hacked her phone.
Yeah, I was asking you. I was asking you if you remember the person that she accused of that.
The bottom line, before we know it, Holy Ghost disappeared. Now, today,
I just want to chip in some before. Sorry, that woman is something. Do you know that she accused?
She's up to something. Let me finish.
She accused Frank of hacking her phone.
someone is waiting for me. So after that, you all heard. There was something that happened a while ago when President Trump won. Somebody called, I will say specific, Arise TV, and made some statement. I was very curious about that statement. After a while, I saw that statement was withdrawn. I keep searching. Up to today, I have not found it. That was a message. You think that person came to me is a message he gave to somebody to give to somebody. Now, this woman is giving out, either she's giving a message or she's giving a report, or she is trying to cover up something that somebody is discovering. And I end it there. I speak in parables. So you should just not waste your time analyzing her nonsense and cremo. She's a full-time agent. She's a double agent. I rest it there. God bless everybody.
And God bless you too. Have a wonderful evening.
You too. Bye.
Bye. Mr. Frank, let's hear from you.
Yes, good evening.
Good evening to you. You're welcome.
I'm very happy. I'm very happy to talk equal in your studio.
Thank you so much.
I'm on this ọkwa na ifolo program ikuku na ọnya bụ bido that propaganda by Ikwu Matanga na refugee or Biafra United bụ butere that propaganda. Ọkwa na ifolo program Biafra United ya bụ butere that ya bụ bido kwuo that Matanga bụ refugee. All the engineer first before I dark out the other quality. How my yarn and the Dama Union, well, all the Kiman or Ndakurugo, hand on that group, we have a dangerous group. We are not monitoring. So I don't have the affront. Those other guys born non people. So I that put the face of the Kaaba. So I have the major thing. How Bachakoya came at that book after the face of the actually, but the main guy is not behind the scenes. So I have the thing. Thank you very much.
The thing is that it's not Ikukuna. I told me Ikukuna, all if the bastard Ikukuna ever have on. It just Biafra disunite. ọ nọ na-akọ ịma ife eji akpọ n'ikuku na ada afịa ya. So the problem people don't understand ife eji akpọ ikuku na ikuku you need afịa ya. So how can you be proud of onye na-ada afịa mana ọ na-work ife game? The only thing that bụ dragging Matanga is height of it. That's the height of their madness, because anybody, if you are still confused about them, this Matanga issue should be the end of it. If you still have anything to help you or rescue you from the mess that you are in with your brain, because you allow yourself to be caged with stupidity of these guys that cannot even do ordinary video with their face. Yet they are the one telling you. Achalugo is in Homeland. I hope you know that. As the hot on our Homeland, in case if you have forgotten.
I have the thing. I haven't now because how we may attack Matanga or do ordinary. Never my main point. He made the man attack or the ordinary. All those people now control those
like
guys.
I said, that your one in that to do before. He made the man attack after having make it go see that now. They are well registered agents. And if I can pretend now, I'm not so oh that now my face is cannot be in public because my fan commit a lot.
Yes. Hammer behind the camera.
Yes, Kafia, yeah, as the hot on our Homeland. In Kana, Madabuchi, no on Homeland, you go to Biafra.
Wow.
Madam, you know, in the USU, right? Man, at least I can go to Biafra with Iluha. Manandi Cabo, I think in natural, naturally, a Chubana, na Cameroon, you see, about Ivory Coast. I got that.
I am the team, and well, sometime somebody in Okuno, this will be a DSS officer, something like that. So, how they use that will with information. So, maybe anything possible, because if you got the move how they make, the steps how they take, all the very suspicious. So, this woman put the face, how they use it.
Obles as DSS officer with this sense of reason, and one in Nigeria surely possible. Obles I don't qualify the Boy Scouts. I wouldn't get about him anywhere. It is possible, but I don't believe that, to be honest. I'm not possible because anything is possible. So,
Brother Kai, him and all these people, if they want to, how they want to do so low, man, that low, this woman, they will bring themselves also that low to penetrate her. All the very possible. They will bring themselves very low to her level.
Very possible.
Because isn't this woman now? Isn't this woman saying that provide OBS? Or not provide no OBS? Or not big cage man a serious problem?
Why in a go where one deform now?
I have demand.
What deform? My brother, thank you so much. God bless you for your time.
Thank you. I really appreciate it. Thank you.
So my people, please keep your eyes on our channel, like where we normally meet for the fundraising. You know that, right? So we're going to share it there again today. Please, I hope to see all of you there. God bless you all. Have a wonderful day.
Look at people of weak mind, very weak disposition. I need men and women made of steel. Nothing moves. You continue to push forward, never knowing what it means to retreat. Only forward can you go. Look at people of weak mind, very weak disposition. I need men and women made of steel. nothing moves you. You continue to push forward, never knowing what it means to retreat. Only forward can you go.